Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts with the most. Slick, Tony, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out.
It's the boys night out. Hunting for some honey, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight I might get a little wild. Cause it's the boys night out. Looking for some honeys, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight I might get a little wild. Yeah. What's good Wednesday? Come on tonight Thursday. It's the boys night out. Yeah, we gon' get it on right now. Said it's the boys night out. Tonight I might get a little wild. Bolero, hot boy, color bombero. Still burning fire like Nero. We sort of on zero. Magic in the city, got rice? Yeah, man. Gilly Smith, Tony, get a whiff. Lubricant with slick Rick, slick talk. Somersaulting, how these haters get flipped off. You know the QQ, yo. Gino Q, gotta cover GQ. What's up, 10? How you doing, huh? It's the boys night out. Hunting for some honey, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight I might get a little wild. Cause it's the boys night out. Looking for some honeys, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight I might get a little wild. Yeah.
And it's not recommended for a young audience. If you're easily offended, annoyed, or discover that this radio show is just plainly stupid, tune into another station or go f*** yourself.
Today's best music magic 89.9. Yeah, they're listening and watching. Time now is 21 past 6 o'clock. Happy holidays still, everyone. Welcome to the show. It's Boy Night Out. Literally.
How about me? Do I not count?
Well, you're the girl on the show.
Hindi yan.
So,
am I too alpha?
yes. Then, usog ka sa cam.
Ay, shucks. Asan ba?
Asan?
Asan ba yung cam? Tanggalin mo yan para makita ko yung cam. Oh! So
there we go. Okay. All right. Blocking.
Okay, there you go.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Boys Night Out. It is the 30th of December.
Oh, damn, that's right.
We have one more day to go before 2024. I don't know if I'm looking forward to 2025.
Why not? What about 2025 scares you? Or makes you feel like kind of alanganin?
I don't. It's
Gina ako to leave this year behind.
Master Hans is here, so
I know. It's always good to start a year with Master Hans.
The last time he was here was before the pandemic, and he made a prediction.
No, the last time he was here was Ghost Month.
No, but prior to that, he was on a lot of shows saying, "Oh, it's a great year."
Don't bring that up. Baka may PTSD pa siya about the ano.
No. Did you check the news? So there are the hospitals are flooded in the US of A with pneumonia. More cases than ever.
Oh my God.
There are also COVID-related cases in China as we speak. I don't want to like be negative.
I know.
On the last day
But
of
we
our
have to tell
board.
people to be careful.
Yeah, but it looks like if people are traveling from China, from USA, mask up because there's an outbreak again. I just don't know the extent of how bad it is, but yeah, pneumonia and a flu, really bad flu that everyone's been getting the past few weeks.
I don't know what's going on, but my friends and family members who've been traveling, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, like 3, nagkakasakit sila with, like in Japan,
Okay.
my tita and my tito, they went, and the whole time, the whole 6 days they were there, they were just
Ano kaso?
in the, flu. They were just in the hotel room.
Oh wow!
Yeah, the entire time.
The entire.
Yeah.
So there is definitely
There's
a bug
something going
on.
around.
There is a bug. Ingat-ingat lang. I don't want to spread fear. I don't want to be a fear monger. But the news don't lie. If my friends are saying, how come everyone's getting pneumonia on Facebook? May nakita ko na, all my friends have pneumonia. What's up? And then I saw a post, check in China. I don't know where
send it to
exactly. I didn't send it to you,
Okay.
but if you check X, formerly Twitter, there's a lot of people who have flu-like symptoms that are being hospitalized. It's packed. The Chinese hospitals are packed. So I don't know what this is to become. I guess we'll find out with Master Hans here.
Ayan. Hospitals in China overwhelmed as severe flu outbreak, including influenza A and HMPV, resembling the 2020 COVID surge. Damn.
See? Surpasses?
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Resembling lang.
Oh,
resembling.
resembling. Oh.
But I'm seeing the videos and yeah, it's a lot.
But remember, the first patient diagnosed with COVID was our show last Monday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Last show
Yeah,
Monday was
last week.
last week Monday, I believe that was the first patient to ever be diagnosed with COVID in 2019.
Damn.
And we didn't do shit
That was 5
from
years
December.
ago.
Wala tayong ginawa. December,
Yeah. We
January,
didn't close our
February. Ang nalaman natin March pa lang.
Yeah.
I was in Doha, Qatar, heading to Jordan, Israel. I made it to Israel, which
you
was
weren't here pala noon.
yeah. And then I was forced to come back because the tour guide said Israel is the first country to lock down. I said, what? Lockdown what? I think they locked down March 6 or 7 or 8. One of those dates. Sila na una eh. I was like, wala to. Let's just push through with it. Or maybe I can stay. I did not stay. They told me, get out.
So where did you go? Here.
I went back to Doha.
Back to
Stayed
Doha.
for a few more days because they didn't close down.
Okay.
And then had to rebook my flight. They said, you have to get out. And I came back on, I think, the 8th or 9th na. So my 14-day trip was cut to like, really short.
And then no refunds, nothing.
Wala. Walang refund yun.
Let's read more of the tweets
Okay.
just in case people are traveling to China. So hospitals across China are overwhelmed as many children and adults show symptoms of fever and colds. Officials blame influenza A and the human metapneumovirus, but many compare the outbreak to the COVID-19 surge 5 years ago. Hospitals are overwhelmed with both pediatric and adult departments full as young and elderly patients alike suffer from fever. Some videos show long queues in pediatric wards late at night. Wow, naman the kids, with parents arriving early to secure treatment. The infusion rooms are also crowded. On December 25, a video blogger shared that he and his wife recently attended an event in Guangzhou, and after returning, both developed symptoms of fever, high fevers, body aches, and headaches, similar to the symptoms they experienced when they were infected with COVID-19. They later discovered that all 8 or 9 attendees of the event had contracted the A-type influenza. To prevent infecting their children, the couple had been in isolation for 3 days, still experiencing low-grade fevers.
Wow. Speaking of COVID, we'd like to welcome once again the super spreader, Jojo.
Jojo, I like this
Joaquin.
outfit,
How
ha?
are you doing?
Are you wearing a vest?
Yeah, I'm wearing a vest.
It's cold.
It's cold outside.
Baka mag-snow eh.
Oh, then regalo ni Tone sa akin to eh. Galing Canada.
Ganda!
Yeah. He gives Tones.
Mga reporter.
Yeah. Tones no, Tones gives me this. Canada to eh.
Ganda. Can you stand up? Show the people. Yan, show. Ganda.
OOTD. OOTD.
Canadian style eh.
O kunyari mag-ano ka, kunyari nagre-report ka. Ako, nag-uulat. Kanya.
Nag-uulat, Jojo, Lone Survivor, galing sa bulwagan ng mga balita.
Nice.
Yeah.
Solid.
Good evening, guys. Good evening.
Good evening. How's
Good
your
evening, Jo.
Christmas holidays?
It's all good, Tones. I eat some Cebu delicacy
Okay.
food.
Your family is in town or
It's
you?
in town. But umuwi na sila. And then, may relatives from Karkar, Cebu. They cook some Karkar like puso in Cebu.
Oh, yeah.
No, sauce, like pungko in Cebu. Gino can relate that.
I know, my mom's Cebuana, so I know what puso is. It's like
puso. The
it's
rice.
practically suman, right?
suman, yeah.
But not sweet.
Is it suman?
No, practically
parang
lang.
rice.
It's rice that's super
binalot sa
super dikit-dikit eh, di ba?
banana leaf.
Yes, yes, puso.
Yeah.
It's good.
That's popular. Kasi isang subo or dalawang subo lang yun, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's so packed, eh,
Yeah,
diba? It's super
yeah,
dense. Nalasing ka ba, Jo, nung nasa 12 Monkeys tayo?
Ano, I was with Tony. Nagsilo pa kami.
Nagsilo pa kayo?
Nag-rebel pa kami. And then,
Oh my God.
I go home at 4 a.m. Tony and
Nagsisi ka ba?
No, I just enjoy. We go
It's been a
Nag-enjoy
long
ka.
time.
It's been a long time.
I think there's a novelty factor when you don't go out, as opposed to me who always goes out. It's different. Eh. For him,
So nag-enjoy ka?
it was his
Nag-miss
first
ka?
time in like a long
a
time.
long time.
First time was sa Silo?
No,
Hindi naman.
si MC Paolo. MC Paolo.
MC Pau's here!
Yeah, he'll be doing the countdown tomorrow night
Fun!
at Xylo. So it's Ace and him.
Oh my God, that's gonna be great! Oh, that should be good.
Yeah.
How come Ace disappeared from Instagram?
I think he lost his account and then he got it back.
bumalik siya.
He got it back.
May
Got it
bago na eh.
back.
Nawala eh. And tapos nakuha niya ulit, I think.
Okay, good for him.
Yeah.
I haven't seen you in a while, Ace. Miss you. You too, Pao. Miss you.
So what are you doing for New Year's?
On New Year's, I just go to my relatives lang. And
Where?
In QC, and then maybe I drop by to Silo if I had time.
Yeah.
Or if you have an invitation.
Invitation ko, invite ako ni Tones.
Ano, Tones? Are you gonna invite him?
Of course.
Yeah.
He's always...
Ano, i-GL mo ba siya?
Siya yung guy na pag single,
Ay,
nandun. Pag may kasama na, wala na ako.
Ba't ganyan ka, Jo? Pag nasa relationship ka, parang kinakalimutan mo si Tones.
No. I think that's the way it is.
Yeah,
I think the time and focus always goes to your significant other. I mean,
Pero may na-message mo ba si Tones na, Tones, how are you? I miss you.
Ano, binati ko siya Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's normal. I think I see the pattern with everyone
Ganun naman talaga eh.
that is single, and then when they become when they get into a relationship, or let's say first.
Oh, well, yeah, you were super exposed to this when Slick met Locking, and then when Sam met Essa.
But even before that, you already see that when they're dating pa lang, medyo bawas-bawas na yun extracurricular activities.
I mean, especially if they met, kunyari, in their 30s na. Kasi usually, if you meet in your 20s, pareho pa kayong same wavelength na you wanna go out pa.
Sagad
But
pa
if
eh.
you're in your 30s na, both of you, medyo pababa na yung will to go out.
Yeah, so I understand. I totally understand. And the fact that I'm working naman eh, or it's partially work. Hindi naman, I'm not working at, I'm not always out. But considering that it's a part of the lifestyle,
And you have to check on your divs.
hindi lang yun. It's nice to be seen. You know that
It's really, you know what?
it's
I
hard.
had so much fun when we were out, when we were at 12 months. I had the best freaking time. I had the best time. I was
Oh, you got drunk. Yeah. It must have been the Jaeger shots and then followed by the Patron.
and then the Patron. Yeah.
And your friends, I enjoy the company.
May balikbayans from Cavite.
Si Holly.
Holly from Cavite and Cricket from Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Layo din eh.
Malayo ng Cavite. Malayo.
Yeah.
Overtone the best, guys. If you can catch them. If you're a millennial, even if you're maybe medyo padulo na ng Gen X, you will super enjoy their songs.
Speaking of millennials, So in 2 days, January 1st,
Oh.
we will have the first ever alpha beta child from 2025 to 2039
Talaga?
is Gen Beta.
Gen Beta.
So from Gen Zs to Gen Alpha to Gen Beta. So 2025 to 2039
Damn.
is gonna be Gen Beta. So
2025.
I can relate.
Has. Ano ka ba, Tones? Ano ka ba ngayon?
88 ko.
Are you Gen Z ka ba? Gen Z ka ba, Tones?
1988.
Okay, so millennial ka like me. Okay.
Millennial talaga ako.
Yes, millennial tayo, Papi Tones.
Millennial. Alam mo naman yan.
Centennial.
And we have Master Hans tonight.
Yes, magandang gabi. Happy New
Obviously,
Year.
there's a thing going around on
Sakit na.
Facebook,
Facebook.
and TikTok. I haven't seen it yet, but I saw a screenshot of
What
it.
is this?
It's the ubas. 12 ubas. Kakainin mo sa ilalim ng table ba?
Sa ilalim ng table?
Narinig ko na rin yun.
Totoo ba yan?
Yung alam ko before, yung you have to have a certain number of round fruits.
Yes,
on
12
your
kinds of fruits.
12 kinds.
Yes, 12 kinds.
12 na.
12 na?
12
na. Kasi
kinds.
12 months daw. 12 months, tama yan. And nagdagdagan ko kay Papi Tones kanina, sabi mo yung illness star.
Okay.
Yes, dumadami na talaga yung sakit. Bukod pa sa illness star, sunod-sunod din yung mga plane crash.
Oo nga, ano pa nangyayari, Master Hans?
Can we just say our condolences and
Yes,
prayers
oh
to
my gosh, so
any of the
devastating.
families
Nakakalungkot. Yeah.
who they were already descending,
Oo nga eh.
arriving
Andyan na eh.
from
Airport
their
na eh.
destination
Yeah.
to South Korea, right?
Yes.
Eh,
You know, I would have thought na a concrete wall.
I'm getting
na,
like-
I know, it's really horrible. Akala ko like a plane can just like run through that.
Yun na nga eh.
Bakit
You would
siya-
think that, or you would think that the pilot would run it through the grass.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of
Para
cement.
bumagal. Oo.
Yes.
Yes.
Because the ground will, the grass and the mud will sort of absorb
Yeah.
Yes.
rather than
Yeah.
it slide and
May,
skid.
is the black box around na recover na ba? And have they spoken to the 2 survivors? Because I heard there are 2 survivors, right? Wow. So sad,
I
guys.
think that is it from the Korean flight?
Yeah, they're
Gio.
ano daw sila from like staff sila.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Yung stuff na.
181 ba?
Parang 79.
Oh,
I think it's more than that
nakita
na.
ko,
More than that
2.
na ngayon.
More.
2 lang ang survivors is what I saw.
I think more na.
More than that. Wow. Nakakalungkot. Condolence ko sa mga...
I don't know if it's that plane because there was even a Canadian
Isa
aircraft
din, meron din. Sa iba naman.
who the landing gear was also stuck or something like that.
Yes.
Diba that's also what happened to this Korean one? Like yung gulong, hindi daw gulong.
Yes, because of the bird daw, ibon daw dumaan.
The Ibon came, plus the tire was a bit old,
Yes.
and there's also another airplane in the is it the Algezibran?
Yes, meron din. May listahan ako yun. Niready ko niyan eh.
Oh, yeah.
Galing mo naman, Master
Niready ko na
Hans.
kasi nakita ko yun ang magiging topic natin ngayon eh. So meron tayong sunod-sunod na airplano na nakikita ko. Ito ngayon is based sa Facebook. Isa number 1 is Azerbaijan,
Azerbaijan, yeah.
Airline crash killing 38
Last week.
people. Last week. South Korea, Jeju Air. Tapos Air Canada flight caught fire during emergency landing.
What is up with that?
Tapos a tragic plane occurred naman sa Ras Al Khaimah in UAE this Sunday.
How's that?
Sa KLM naman Royal, meron din. Tapos may nabasa rin ako kanina na sa Hawaii, meron din nag-crash na plane na 2 naman sila ang namatay daw. Parang ganun. Oo.
Sad, guys.
Yeah, that's why the Boeing is getting a lot of heat.
Yes.
They're all
Actually,
Boeing
may kinalaman siya sa
737.
All?
I think,
Ay, may kinalaman sa puso?
Yes, may kinalaman siya sa feng
Talaga?
shui. Yes, nakita ko niyan kaya niready ko yung script ko dito. Hindi naman script, niready ko yung nakita ko lang online, yung mga plane crash. So, may 6 na araw, correct me kung tama ako. Kaya lang ito yung may kinalaman sa paparating nating Year of the Wooden Snake 2025.
Ahas.
The ahas, no? The snake kasi,
it's what is the? I heard it's a black snake.
black snake. Kasi snake,
Bakit black snake?
hindi naman, ang snake na to, dapat green snake eh.
Okay.
It's a green snake.
Oh, so
actually.
green siya.
Pero itong wood siya, tapos yung snake itself is a fire. So nag-boost yung fire ngayon. So marami pang mga
But hindi pa in Year of the Snake, it's still...
Yeah, but still, pumasok na yun. September month, last 2024 pa lang, meron na tayong energy ng snake. Yes,
Ganun ba
pumasok
yun?
na.
September?
Yes. September, yun ang start ng ano na. September month is the snake month. Umiikot na yung energy ng snake month na yun.
Hindi Feb siya? Hindi ba
Feb
New
is
Year?
the
actual New
the
Year.
actual New Year, the entry of the spring.
So yung energy nasa... Ano?
Yes, pumasok na siya. Nandito na siya.
Ano, hindi na ako lilipad?
Ingat
For
tayo
2025?
sa paglipad. Ingat tayo. Kasi yung...
Talaga,
Shit.
ingat tayo.
Ingat tayo
May
kasi-
flight ako ng Jan 13,
Wala,
Master
lahat tayo,
Hans.
may mga flight nga eh. Oo. Sino bang hindi flight? Lahat tayo, aalis naman talaga. Lahat naman talaga, flight talagang, siguro, nagkataon lang, pero
Pwede
nagkakasunod-sunod
ba
eh.
magdala ng parachute
Scary
sa
eh.
aeroplano?
Katakot, Gagi.
May dalang Spanish na Oo. Di ba? Nakakatakot talaga. Nakita mo sunod-sunod.
Nakapraning.
Yung illness star naman ang kinakwento ni Papi Tones kanina, ang flying star ng 2025, nasa gitna naman ang illness star.
So what does that mean for us?
Illness. This year will be an illness star again. Again na po, unahan natin. Wag
Is
naman
it the same
bumalik.
as 2020?
2020 kasi is the new start eh. Hindi illness star ng 2020 eh. Nag-restart ang 2020. Nangyari lang yung restart na yun. Nangyari ang pandemic. That's the restart. 2020 is a first rat. Di ba natapos ang pig? After ng pig, the 2020 is the rat.
Oh.
It's the restart year. A newborn, a rebirth.
Pag rat restart year
Yes,
talaga.
kasi yan ang first sign eh. So natapos yung buong cycle.
Yung sa yung mga Cebu rats.
Gago.
Ang laki ni Sigurat.
Ayun, yun ang nangyari. Kaya nag-recycle yung rat noon eh. Sa
Itong
2020.
illness star, Master Hans, kailan siya huling lumabas?
My gosh.
Illness star, kung kailan siya huling lumabas, umiikot-ikot yung cycle eh. Last year, 2024, 2024, ang Dragon Year, ang nasa gitna ng stars natin is the anger, conflict. That's why, 2024,
Daming
nagsimula ang
war.
war. Gera, nagkaroon ng simula ng gera. Ngayon naman, meron pa rin yung gera, mas kakalma na, pero ang problem ngayon, power struggle. Na kasi yung the war niya nagpunta siya sa house of the mga influentials.
Okay.
So power struggle naman ng 2025 natin.
Itong si Trump.
Yes.
What's the future? Obviously US has a big part in
Yes, in the natin
Sa mundo.
Kailangan yun,
in
totoo
terms
yun.
of the dollar, in terms of how business will be.
Totoo yun.
Is it obviously there's a lot of people want to leave the country, but there's a lot of people that say they like Trump, but what's the real score? Ano ba yung totoo? Because everything is perception online, media, diba? But what's the
The
story
real
behind
score.
it?
Oo.
Is because Trump is not. He's got his resume isn't great.
Yeah. He's an extremely polarizing individual.
He's not. Yeah, I mean, if you look at his resume, you'd be wary of you'd want to work in business with him, and so many stars have said it. So many celebrities have said.
And he has history of racism, sexism, misogyny. He's just not a good person all around.
So, I mean, what can we
What
look
does
forward
2025
to?
Alam mo si
Donald
Trump na search ko ngayon sa Google, it's birthday niya is June 14, 1946.
Okay.
1946 is nag-fall under the year of the doggy.
Si Slick, 1940. 46 is Slick, di ba?
Okay, year of the dog.
Year of the dog. Ang mga year of the
Kabatch yan eh, sa school.
yung mga dog this year, last year kasi Dragon Year 2024. 2025 the dog will mag-improve.
So this is the snake.
Yes, snake, yes.
Okay,
Snake at saka dog, medyo friends.
Mag-friend. Ang kalaban talaga ni dog si Dragon 2024.
Yeah, that's me.
Yes. Luckily tapos na. Kaya wala nang kalaban ngayon si
And Dragon Year is always hard for the dragon.
Yes. Pag Snake Year, hard for the snake also. Kumusta Papi Tones ang year mo? Dragon
Ang
ka.
hirap,
1988 eh. 1988 si Papi Tones eh.
Hirap.
Mahirap.
Nahirapan ka ba last year, Toads? Parang payaman
Parang
ka
wala
lang,
naman.
payaman ka lang.
Parang naghihirap.
Hindi, palabas ng palabas. It's stress. You know, you have a house.
Yeah.
I don't need it, but I'm stressed out.
Stressful indeed. The last year was stressful.
It is
Yeah,
stressful.
for me it was stressful. I mean, I obviously I better learn to manage the stress. And with the lifestyle that I have taken, medyo okay naman eh. I mean, health-wise, family, friends. That's all I really ask for is and to really lessen the stress levels. I really am not great at taking on stress. I don't like it.
Paano mo na-manage yung stress, Papi Tones? Pag stress, ang ginagawa, nilalayasan mo ba? Nagme-meditate ka ba?
Good question.
Nag-travel ka ba? Paano?
Nagpapababae siya.
Nagpapababae mo siya? Nag-text ka ba? Ano ginagawa mo?
All of the above. All of the above. All the different quarters.
Okay, so si Tones, Year of the Dragon.
Dragon.
Ako, Year of the Dog. Anong year ka?
85 ako eh.
Ox.
Ox. Okay, so kamusta ang Dog, Dragon at Ox?
Ah, yeah.
This year, last year,
2024.
maraming gulo si Dragon at saka si 2024 si
Si
Dragon.
Dog,
saka si Dog.
medyo kagulo din si Dog last
Last
year.
year, magulo rin si Dog
Yeah.
talaga last year. Talagang kalaban kasi ni Dog si
Dragon.
Si Dragon. Si Dragon
Mag-ano yan eh?
Magkalaban. Yes.
Polarized.
Opposite, yes. 6 years gap. So, magkalaban yan. Mag-directly magkalaban. Si Dragon last year, medyo stressful. Si Dog, mas maraming, tahol siya ng tahol na gulo-gulo.
Oo nga, dami kong kaaway.
Konti yun ko, doggy style eh.
Di sumapat.
Kulang daw yun. So yun, this year naman, better year. Si Dragon this year ay nasa kanya na po ang Victory and Success Star.
Nice, Tones!
Yes. Si Dog this year, maraming money star, pero nasa kay Dog naman yan ang anger, misunderstanding. Kaya
Ay,
naman,
ito na.
chill ka lang.
Nararamdaman ko na. Nararamdaman ko na, Master
Mataas mo
Hans.
dito, mainit ka na kanina. Ewan ko rin sinasabi niya.
Nararamdaman ko na talaga.
Chill. Masyado mainit eh. Kaya pass ko dito, mainit na siya.
Ready to
Hindi, mainit talaga.
Mainit siya, ganit niya.
Kinakalma lang ako ni
Okay,
Papi
kanina
Tones.
kahit ako, narinig ko kanina. Ganit dito.
Pinapakalma niya lang ako. So
Kaya
ganun pa rin, this year galit pa rin ako.
Nako, last year, tumatahol ka ng tumatahol. Ngayon naman, inaaway ka, mainit ang ulo. Pero alam mo si Dog this year, kailangan talaga i-manage yung anger niya. That would lead to mas seryosong mga misunderstanding, conflict, and court case.
Oo, Tones.
Kaya bantay-bantay lang. Kaya bantay-bantay
Hindi
lang.
naman ikaw yung aawayin ko, Tones eh.
Oo, wag ka lang makikipag-away ngayon. Alam ko, mainit ang Dog ngayon. Ayan, medyo hindi okay si Doggy ngayon.
Shit, Tones.
So,
Yari
Ox.
tayo.
Ox ngayon Ox is one of the allies. Good friend siya ng Ox, ng Snake. Ang compatible kay Snake kasi si Ox, si Rooster, at saka si Monkey. Ang kalaban ni Snake, si Pig.
Pig.
Si Pig.
Ako. Si Paring Sam.
Opo,
Pig
Papi
si Sam.
Pig, opo.
Baboy yun talaga.
Gago ka.
Sobrang baboy yun.
Pig lang.
Gago ka.
Pinakamalaking
We
baboy.
love Sam.
Oh, yeah.
I love you,
we
Sam.
love it, but I know it's a pig. Lamon na
My
lamon.
brother is not a pig.
Oh, he's a big pig. So we'll get to calls and we'll get to, I guess, forecast.
Yes po. Tapos i-rundown natin yung mga lucky and lucky zodiac, tapos lucky and lucky directions, tapos yung tips sa pagsalubong. Papi Tones, paano mo ba sinasalubong
Okay.
ng New Year? Nagpapaputok ka ba?
Sa loob?
Sa loob, sa labas?
Ibang putok.
Siyempre, si Tony pa ba?
Pato.
Walang pinipili.
Ay, labas loob.
Oh,
Opo.
naghihipo ako ng pera.
Ay! Hinihipo!
Hinihipo yung
May
pera.
kasamang hipon ba yan? May pakanton ba?
Or
Ayaw ni Tony sa hipon.
Ay,
Kailangan.
hipon?
ha?
Ay!
Kinakain ko hipon.
Hipon,
Yung
oh.
ulo.
Ay, ulo.
Kinakain ko yung ulo.
Sinisip-sip mo, Papi Tones?
Oh, yan.
Magaling talaga
Yan,
sinisip.
Diyan ako mahilig.
Yes, pag makahipon na sisip-sip.
Yung year of the pig na yung usapan natin kaysa relax.
Nagsimula pa lang. Nagsimula pa lang.
Di ba they said you're supposed to jump and touch money?
Yan,
So
I think if
usually,
you're a child, but if you're a full-grown adult,
No, I
parang
still
hindi ka na
jump.
tatangkad.
tumatalon pa.
Tumatalon ka pa?
I still jump.
Kaya palang tangkad.
Eh, di ko namin Canada.
Kaya palang tangkad.
And at the same time, my hands are in my pocket,
O tapos, ginagawa mo?
counting
Counting
the
money.
coins and bills.
Alam mo yung ginagawa ng parents ko before?
Like, really?
They would put, and parang it worked They would put money in all of our cars.
Yeah.
Because ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng bago. And it worked.
Wow, dumami ng
Wow.
car.
Ang bagong
Car.
Wow.
Wow! Malaki nga natin ang
Pwede pala yun.
Oo.
Really?
It really worked.
pera yung car natin. Saan mo
Like,
nilagay?
they
Sa
would
loob?
put-
Sa labas
Oo,
pa rin?
sobrang daming pera sa... As in,
Wow!
20-20 lang.
Akala ko sobrang dami.
Hindi. Ang daming 20, about 10. Basta, hindi, not
And-
10.
and
but
it's
puro
scattered.
bills. Oh, yeah. Scattered, but in like an orderly fashion.
May ganun?
Oo.
Game
Which
na
my
natutunan
parents
rin
did.
dyan, ah.
You know what? I'm gonna try that. I have never done that.
Or coins, di ba? Pinapa...
So you
Yes,
you
yes.
get from the bank
Can I put that in my hallway? Yung mga 2020?
para marami kang
Ah!
Para maraming papasok.
Marami papasok.
Pwede.
Pag palibas mo, wala na yung 20s mo.
Pag
Kinuha na.
kinuha na ng maintenance.
Uso pa ba yung polka dots?
Ay, oo.
Uso
Pwede pa rin. Papitos, pwede tayo mag-brief na polka
Red
dots.
underwear.
Polka dots pa rin?
Oo, pwede
Ano
pa rin.
bang
Para marami
color?
pera. Ano gusto mo?
Ano mo color of the year?
Lucky color for the year is gold.
Gold.
Gold ba?
Yes, may nagko-poise na. Kasi ito ba yung
Akala ko,
color of
Di
the
ba sabi
year?
mocha something
Color of
something?
the year.
Color of the
Ang ating is
year.
the lucky color for the year.
So
Gold is my favorite
Yun!
color.
So
Madaming gold
there's a
yan.
power color and then the color of the year is separate from the power color. Tama ba?
Okay, pwede pa.
Power, ano yung power color?
Power gold.
Lucky color. Lucky color.
Yeah,
Lucky
well,
color.
well, lucky.
Okay.
Lucky.
But the word is lucky. Let's not confuse people.
Kailangan ko hindi ba bakit power? Nag-iba eh.
So gold.
Power!
Yeah.
Is the lucky color for 2025.
But parang
Mocha
Yeah,
something.
parang mocha.
like a faint mocha.
Yes, mocha. Parang
Because
chocolate.
I know my friend is getting his in his wedding, he purposely got the suits.
Oh, the color of the
Parang
year.
Color.
Mocha something.
brown,
Yes.
light brown.
Oh, para kumain tayo ng maraming mga chocolate.
Wait, okay, so wait, let me write this down. So what do we do?
Okay, let's start with the lucky color for the year is color gold.
Gold.
Okay.
Yes, this
color
Mocha mousse, by the way.
Yes, mocha mousse. Yes. Nakakatakam naman yung mocha mousse
Mocha
na yan.
mousse.
Parang chocolate
Parang brown
mousse.
yan, di ba?
Parang
Parang brown.
si mocha eh.
Na-miss mo si
Damn, Tones.
Your favorite. Your favorite.
Love her so much.
Ayun, so una tayo. Let's go with the unang-una is the gold is the lucky color natin. So,
Okay.
dapat magsuot tayo ng gold na damit para sa pagsalubong sa bagong taon. Importante yun. So, syempre, hindi rin mawawala dyan sa mga gold natin is yung buksan yung ilaw. Gawin natin maliwanag ang bahay. Oo.
Bawal madilim.
Bawal madilim. Oo, yung mapatay sa hindi na ilaw, ayos mo na yan.
Mahal ang kuryente.
Mahal ang kuryente. Pagka madilim, hindi siya swertein. Mag-general cleaning na tayo. Dapat bago pumasok ang bagong taon, dapat malinis ang bahay. Para general cleaning. Para pumasok swerte. 12 kinds of different fruits, no? Natanong kanina, 8 ba, 13 ba, 15 ba, 9 ba? 12.
12 talaga.
12 talaga.
12?
12 kinds of different fruit to signify 12 fruitful years.
Tapos,
fruit months for a year.
Per fruit, ilan?
Per fruit,
Kahit ilan.
Halimbawa sa bahay, dalawa lang kayo, tatlo kayo, si Papi Tones, mag-isa lang, may mga darating. Pwede naman.
So 12 lang.
12 lang. Pwede ba?
Different
pwede yung
kinds,
banana?
ha?
Pahaba yung banana eh.
Yeah, pwede kahit mahaba. Mas maganda yun. Oo. Hindi kailangan bilog, Papi Tones.
Basta prutas.
Masarap prutas.
Okay.
Banana, yan. Para pag may nagpunta, banana tayo.
Okay.
Pwede. Basta prutas. 12 kinds of prutas to signify 12 kinds of different fruits. Mag-display tayo ng snake.
Ahas? Paano yun?
Ahas.
Labas mo.
Labas.
Maliit lang.
Yung ahas mo na bulag.
Gago.
Isa lang mata.
Bulag.
Isang mata eh.
As in any snake?
Any snake na Lucky Charm. Hindi yung snake mo nalagay mo sa Southeast. Pagbalik mo na sa kapitbahay na kunain yung pusa nila.
Okay.
O yung Lucky Charm lalagay yan sa Southeast direction.
Siyempre, meron ito no sa store mo sa
Yes,
Shangri-La.
marami tayo. Tapos palitan na natin yung mga kortina. Yung mga kortina sa bahay dapat natin bagong laba. Bagong bili. Palitan na rin yung mga bedsheet, mga bed cover. Kung ikaw single, pink na bedsheet o bed cover. Pag ikaw may couple, may asawa na, red naman. Yung mga flickering light, ayusin yan. Yung mga tumatagas na gripo, hindi yan swerte. Ayusin na rin ang main door.
Anong main door?
Yung main door, yung pinto
Front
ng
door.
bahay. Front door natin. Kasi
Anong gagawin mo?
Lilinisin.
Kala ko sirain.
Kiskisin. Ay, gusto mo sirain, dahil ayusin mo. Oo,
Okay.
pagka sira, kailangan ayusin. Kasi the main door is where the chi or the energy is coming, going in
So,
and out.
pink
siya eh.
bedsheet? Pink?
Kung single ka, yes.
Kung single ka.
And then if you're couple naman, red.
Red, linisin yung stove. Dapat yung stove natin malinis, maayos. Punuin na nalagyan ng asin, asukal, yung bigasan natin, yung LPG natin, dapat puno. Makakatulong yung pagsuot ng polka dots. Polka dots na brief, pwede ba yun? Pwede polka dots na brief.
Gold na brief. Pwede
Gold na brief, ang ganda.
Gold na polka dots. Para swerte talaga.
Gold na. Polka dots na. Ang swerte na, no? Siyempre, dapat magpagulong tayo ng cat-cat. Alam mo yung cat-cat yung maliliit na orange?
yung orange na ganun.
Lalagyan mo
Ano
ng
yun?
barya. Yung cat-cat yung maliliit na
Maliit
orange.
It's like a pawn can but smaller.
Yes, it's like a font.
But really
font
mini.
can.
Oh, okay.
Cat-cat.
So parang orange na kalamansi, ganun.
Yes, orange.
Okay.
Tama. Pero flat siya.
It's a little bigger than a calamansi.
Yeah, a little bigger than calamansi. Cat-cat ang tawag. You put barya from your door, isasaboy mo siya papasok ng bahay mo.
Okay.
Pero yung tip ni yung binigay mo kanina, gagawin ko rin yun Lalagyan
Sa pera?
Lalagyan daw natin ng pera para next year bago yung kotse natin.
Yeah.
Try natin, mami.
Lagay ko sa kama.
Oh,
Pero next year, bago ni kama mo.
Next year bago ka.
Ay, kasi ang kanya, pag nilagay doon, yung magbabago yung kotse. Tapos kay Papi Tones,
may kailangan nito palitan. Gamit na masyado.
Hindi nga. I've been
Queen size na.
on a hiatus.
Oh, lul!
Magsabi tayo ng barya, papas ng bahay, magawing maingay. Masaya ang bahay. Huwag na tayo magpapatok, baka maputulan ang
kamay.
Okay.
Papatok sa loob o sa labas, mas baka maputol ang daliri, mahirap na. Pagka sa lubong sa New Year, wala kang daliri, no? 9 na pirasong insenso to signify 9 months in 9 months. 9 na insenso to signify na pang-cleansing kasi 9 is the highest number.
Pampalinis.
Pangtanggal, oh. Magsabit tayo ng snake, ng mga sabit-sabit sa
Snake?
pintuan. Oo, snake na sabit-sabit yung
Pwede
tetali.
bumili lang ang
Ahas.
Ahas. Maraming ahasan this year eh. Dahil sa snake, oo.
invite ko yung mga barkada ko ng mga pwede ba yun?
Oh, hindi lang sa gubat ang has, di ba? Pati sa barkada.
Ayo!
Sino sa atin?
Si ano?
Dito,
Kuya
wala.
Val.
Yabal, hello sa dyan.
The guard. The guard. Kuya Val.
Okay.
Mang Val.
Whole family dapat happy sa lubong sila. Tapos makipag-ayos na sa nakatampuhan. Yung mga
Peace.
nakatampuhan mo dapat make peace. Bayaran na lahat ng utang bago matapos ang 2024.
Shit. Okay.
I did that.
Ano yung grapes na ubas sa ilalim ng table? Ano yun?
Hindi ko na, narinig ko na nga yun, pero wala namang ganyan feng shui basis na pag-aralan si Master Hans na kakain ka ng ubas sa ilalim ng table.
Yeah.
Baka habang may kumakain, masipa ka pa doon. Di ba? Pagdating ng tao, masipa ka na sa
Yung
ilalim.
mga playback listeners natin and viewers, ayoko magpatawad.
Ay, magpatawad. Oo.
Malasa na lang nga talaga ako buong 2025.
Ay, magpatawad.
Naisip ko may kaaway pa ba ako? Parang wala na ako.
Wala nang kaway.
Bumati ka na ba sa lahat ng ex mo?
No. Okay, but there you go.
Well, they're not kaaway. They're just
Past.
past.
Past is past.
They're civil. Like civil? Or just...
I mean, they condoled when I lost my parents,
Okay,
gano'n.
okay.
So, hindi naman kami like,
Yeah.
ano ba yun, war.
At least walang kalaban.
Yung mga nung mahabol naman kay Papi Tones, ano ka na ba? Nag-say ka na ba na hello sa kanila?
Na,
Mahabol sa'yo yung mga chicks.
Yung mga
wala
babae.
nga eh. Wala.
Anong wala?
It's none. There's no chicks.
Liar. Super liar.
No, I've been super on the like
Kinasal sa lahat eh.
I think I'm on this honestly, I'm on this fitness era thing.
Fitness era.
Kasi there's no way I have the energy to go out then work out 3 times a week.
And then have, maintain a relationship.
Without something suffering. Quality. Quality. So I chose
Radio, let radio suffer.
ito yung gusto ko eh. Papasuffer ko to. Sila mag-suffer. So I had to really pick more of a mature spot in terms of, okay, in terms of priority, what do I really want? And it's my health. Because all of us are in that phase where, you know,
Yes.
things are coming out.
Tama.
the
Nagiging bata pa
woodwork.
tayo. Nagiging lalo
So-
younger eh.
Yeah. So I said, how can I sustain what I do and continue to doing what I do at an optimum level? So I would have never thought like this back then when I was 20.
9 years ago.
9 years ago.
9 years ago.
6 years ago.
Yeah, 7.
9. You're 29, Tones. What's
Okay.
wrong with your mind?
So, but yung 88 hindi eh. Hindi macho. Gago ka. 98. Ako. 98 pala ako. Sorry guys, 98. No, so I had to choose between, okay, since I'm in my health era, just go with it. I've never been this so focused with working out and eating and my health wise, investment wise in my health ever. So just take the phase and go with it. And so the only issue I have now is yung puyat. That I cannot
That's your work.
I cannot
Hindi mo
change.
talaga.
But everything else has suffered. Yung kalandian ko, yung
Wala na, nabawasan.
like did you see me when I went out? Did I say you see me with any girls?
Wala na eh. Maraming bumabate sa'yo. Maraming bumabate.
But wala na yun like going for the kill. Wala na those days.
Namiss Papi Tones dati. Kasama tayo.
I'm just chill.
Ano nangyari nangyayari dati?
Ay, nako!
Paano? Sige, kwento mo.
Grabe
Kwento mo,
natin.
Master Hans. I-relieve natin yung ano.
Yung memes.
Was this like Valkyrie days pa? Back in the day?
Yung mga Papi Toads dati.
Or 18 years ago?
18 years ago.
Grabe naman yung 18.
Because I've known him ever since eh.
18 years magkakilala na kayo.
Yes,
Yeah.
meron na.
Wow.
Meron na.
Ang kilala ko, yung
Katabi ng tindahan
katabi
ko.
niyang tindahan niya. Yun ang
Yes.
katabi ko. Yun ang
Kakilala
kilala
niya.
ko.
Oo.
Yan.
Dahil pogi si Papi Tones, syempre nag-hi na hello na ako sa kanya. Hi, Papi.
Lalo ng dimples eh.
Dimples, di ba? Inglesero pa. Di ba? Pagka nagsalita na, talagang,
Convincing, di ba?
Convincing, tsaka Inglesero. Ito talaga, no? Papi, anong exercise mo ngayon?
Strengthening. But more on like stretching, mobility, and strengthening, which I would have never effing done because it takes forever to be in the gym.
Tagal ka na fit eh.
No. Iba yun.
Si Papi Tones eh. Pero kilala kita, Papi Tones, hindi ka ganyan ka fit.
Hindi. Iba yun aesthetically fit.
Oh, yun yung habol mo dati. Di ba?
So there's aesthetically fit na mukhang pang Boracay katawan. Pang Boracay. And then there's pang romansa fit. Where
Isn't that the same as the Boracay fit?
no.
Yeah.
Wow!
No,
Bakit mo nag-name drop ka pa?
I think Boom is more strengthening
strengthening.
rather than aesthetic. He's really fit and both.
Yeah.
There are people who have strength. There are people who don't have strength but maganda yung katawan.
Yes, may ganun.
They're genetics wise,
Yeah.
may abs. But if you tell them to do
Wala.
a workout na legs, hindi kaya. So that's my purpose of joining Physiolab was to be stronger kasi we lose 1% muscle mass every year, girl or guy. And we're more prone.
Kamusta yung kinakain mo ngayon, Papi Tones?
Much better.
Anong name
now.
niya? What's her name?
Much better. Which one?
Hindi ka na-gets yun ah. Hindi ka na-gets yun ah.
Yung kinakain mo.
Hindi ba kinakain?
Fruits ka naman to. Sorry.
So the whole staying out and going for the kill has
Ay,
taken a...
dati, talagang for the
Yeah,
kid.
yeah.
Alam mo yung pakanina
Napanood mo in action?
Ay! Ang dami kong story doon. Grabe talaga. Totoo
Parang
nakita
nanood
ko
ka
yun.
ng Slam
Idol,
Dunk,
idol.
Idol! Mamaya naman, bigla pagtingin na wala si Papi Tones. Uy! Andito wala sila.
Nakita mo na bang na ano to, pumalya to? Hindi pa.
Wala.
Grabe ka talaga, Tones!
Wala, Papi Tones.
Namiss ko yung era mo na yan, di ko naabutan
Ay,
yan.
You like seeing LeBron, parang LeBron James ito.
18 years, 20 years ago yun, meron na.
I think also because I became more responsible because I'm part of the nightlife.
Mas mature
I
din
was
siguro si Papi
pasaway
Tones.
at the start. Maybe the first 4 years, 2010, 11, 12,
Kasi Palace 2014, di ba?
2014.
Tama.
Yeah, I was, maybe before that, I was pasaway na. I was already kalat.
That was your
I was super
era,
kalat.
the BNO era of the provincial tours, di ba? The club
Yeah,
tours, kung saan saan.
Exactly. Yeah, 2012, 2010, 11, 12 was the
Yeah.
provincial tours. Medyo nagsasubside na kami na yung kalandian namin, yung kamanyakan, it was already going like, all right, we've done it. We've done all we can. North, south, east, west of the Philippines. Chill mode. And then, yeah. Now it's just really chill. Like super chill. But I mean, it comes about. Like I'm not saying that I don't want
You
to.
still get it.
Like, I get,
It's not like before. though.
Yeah.
I mean, dapat naman, di ba? You can't sustain that kind of life.
some
That was
people-
crazy.
No, some people have like I've seen some people have a second life resurgence. Yung mga
Mga divorce.
yung mga ganyan or not happy with their relationship, kahit kasal, labas at lumalabas pa rin. At grabe. As in they're reliving their second bachelorette or bachelorhood. Feeling ko. Like, and it happens. Thing just ended their, I think 20-year, was it 15-year marriage? Someone really popular just over the weekend.
Who? Philippine showbiz?
I think not Philippine.
Playback, do you know?
Famous athlete. I think footballer. American football or is it soccer? I'm not sure. But 15 years, they called it quits. And yeah, they decided to, yeah. So, but I mean, anyways, getting back to Master Hans.
sanga-sanga na tayo.
Pero si Jojo pumayat din.
Oh.
Yes.
Pumayat din si Jojo. Anong ginagawa mo,
Sa
Jo?
consumption ba yan,
Kasi
Jo?
problema.
Problema? Saan ka naman ang problema?
He just
Bagong
he just
single
broke-
yan.
Just broke up.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
He just broke up.
mo sa akin, ha?
He just broke up with his girlfriend.
Oh, bago lang.
Lagi pa naman sila.
You know, Christmas time is always one of the two loneliest times of the month
Christmas blues.
is just before Valentine's and Christmas. And I know a lot of people are posting family, friends, but there's a lot of us who aren't getting along with family and friends. I have friends that aren't getting along with their sister and brothers, and I asked them the other night, "Oh, so where are you spending?" Hindi, ako lang. I said, if you need anyone to hang out with, let me know. They're not spending it because they're not getting
Ganyan
along
kabait
with
si Papi
family.
Tones.
Only because I'm here. I've always spent it in Canada. Eh.
Oo nga.
So it kind of felt
Oo nga.
felt weird being here.
Ano ngayon, holiday nandito si Papi Tones.
Yeah.
Oo nga, nagulat ako.
Stress.
Tinigtag siya, Master, gasting ta. Okay dito pala sa Pilipinas.
Hindi din ako sanay.
Hindi ako sanay.
For the
First
last 10
time in
years,
15 years.
Oo
It
nga.
feels weird. Yeah. It
Oo.
feels.
Kailan ka.
I really now appreciate the spirit of Christmas during here in the Philippines. Because it's been a while since I celebrated, and I'm usually with family, so I don't
Yes.
get to experience it being alone.
Yes.
And so many people reached out. Even Tin reached out. Hey, come by.
Yeah.
It's not the easiest time.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yeah. I mean, I lost both my
Yeah.
parents.
It's not the easiest. And that's why I always try to visit them, because they're 80, 88. There's that time frame.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
There's that time frame. But this year was just so crazy. And I was so stressed.
You were so booked and blessed.
No,
in December.
Yung pala, yung pala.
Dami mo
I was,
bilis.
because I'm paying off something that it's just crazy. It's wild. And I'm
Nagpapatayo kasi siya ng bahay, Master Hans, sa Siargao. 10 bedrooms.
Whoa!
it's not just me. Tatlo kami, but it's still like it's not.
No, I super get what you mean because I also built a house.
So,
And so
sakit sa
there's
ulo.
talagang pressure to earn,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
To get it back.
And I'm not one to like grind now. I'm like steady mode. You know, steady lang.
Wala, kailangan mag-grind.
That's why I need to know what's happening in the year 2025 for all of us.
Yes, mas better na.
Sabi mo, marami akong pera.
Mas better na. Mas better na kasi
Better?
Dragon last year. Dragon ngayon may victory star na, so it should be better na.
Thanks, Rubes.
Mas better na. Sabi niya,
Keep the divs coming. Sabi niyo.
Yun.
Papuntang bahay. Wala. Ubus.
Andito pa kaya ako next year, Master Hans? Sa Magic. Hindi, sa
Is
Magic.
it in the cards? Is it in the
Sa Magic.
Can we take a commercial break?
Oh, sige.
And then find out
Aalis ba ako ng Magic?
if Tin will still be here, or is she gonna move to RX?
Gago! Hindi.
Hindi.
Or podcast.
Balita may offer. Wala ba? Wala bang offer? Wala pa. But
January.
should she leave for another station? You know?
Station.
Mas mababa yung offer eh.
Wala nang ibababa pa yung offer dito.
So those are the questions.
Ano ba tayo?
Yeah, we're gonna take a commercial break. Jojo, do you have a question for Master Hans?
Yeah, sa work and then sa financial.
Ay, wala life.
Love life, medyo wala pa.
Wala ka doon ngayon.
May
Okay.
Bumble pa naman. Swipe pa na.
Ay, mami, ikwento mo sa amin.
Ayun.
Ikwento ka. Paturo tayo.
Oh my gosh. You're still on there, right?
Yeah, I'm still in Bumble.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, someone matched
Kaya
with you.
single niya lang eh. So, syempre rin nasa
Si
Bumble siya.
Stephanie, Steph, our friend from Australia. Hi, Steph.
Nag-match kayo?
Nag-match kami, Steph.
Hi, Steph!
He was in Siargao now. Nasa Siargao si Steph.
Oh my gosh. You are the Bumble King.
Used to be you, Tones. You've been
Yeah.
dethroned.
I'm still on there, but
Yeah.
he's I'm there like just
Just to talk.
in limbo. Yeah, I'm in limbo. I'm not there to like hook up anymore. Unlike this guy.
Yeah, but may mga nakausap ako na nakamatch mo and you're really just there though to converse.
Yeah.
To network.
Wow, na ganun. May nakausap ka na.
No, seriously.
Yun talaga.
Iba na yung Papi Tones ngayon.
nagbago na.
Iba yung 20 years ago na Papi Tones. Talaga, wow!
Yeah. I think
Unleash the beast.
it's a more just subdued. I think it's from the change of lifestyle talaga.
Yeah.
I think if I was back to like dropping the shots and doing
When was the last time you got like piss-ass drunk. Not counting the one here nung na super spreader kayo ni Jojo.
I think Jan 19, 2019.
19.
Jan 19.
2019.
May date pa talaga. Was that your birthday?
That was a joint with Henry. January 18 going into 19. So January 18 was the salubong. Well, not salubong. Mine is 13-15 eh. So it was basically the weekend of Saturday going into Sunday.
Okay.
And that Sunday I woke up and I said,
enough. Never again.
Yeah. Not never again, but I took a singot. And it felt heavy.
A bump or a line?
No. In bed. I woke up.
A breath. Okay. A deep breath.
I woke up and sabi ko,
Ayaw mo na.
ang hirap gumising. I was like, I don't even want to move. I'm like, I don't want to feel like this.
That was 5 years ago, Tones.
And I think when your body says something to you, you listen to it. You don't ignore it. You listen to it. It's an amazing we're built, with intuition. So your intuition tells you something about your body. So I said,
Yeah, pakinggan mo, tama.
you know what? I'm going to take a break. So I said 30 days lang eh. 30, 60.
I remember the first year that you were doing it, everyone was trying to tempt you.
Oh, yeah.
But now I think everyone respects it.
Yeah.
And everyone admires that you get to do it. Because it's not easy.
Some people still don't understand. But I said, I don't say never ever. I've smelt it. I've touched, my lips have touched. But I am, even my mouth has touched it.
Do you miss it at all?
Yeah, of course I miss it. I miss the fact that when people cheers, because I do cheers eh.
Yeah. But it's
And then you
water that's
shoot
in
it
your
down.
shot. Yeah.
I miss being naughty.
You miss horny.
Gets.
Imagine ko yung papi to.
Gets.
Alam mo yung words mo, papi, na biglang may mga flash ng pictures na.
Wala
I wanna
bang,
be- I
is,
wanna-
is
I
there
wanna-
nothing that can
that-
simulate the feeling of being drunk?
That libog feeling na
Damn. Okay.
you look at someone and because now it's like, hi, besos, how you doing? And I'll sit there and then I'll walk away and then I'll go.
What
home.
if you... It's not the same.
Not the same. Not the same.
You'll get sleepy.
Yeah, not the same.
Matulog din.
Yeah. All right, we'll get to Master Hans.
Yes, commercial.
For those that don't know, he's here. He's going to tell us the predictions of 2025.
Yes.
Also, what to look out for.
Yes.
We're going to run down the 12 zodiac signs of the year to see if you're suerte, what you can do. Obviously, all of this advice that he's giving is at
Tawag
the
sila.
end of the day.
Meron tayong tarot-tawag sila.
At the end of the day, it's all about how you deal with life
Yes.
and how you take action.
Nice.
You can only predict so much and some of it.
Kayo pa rin gumagawa ng swerte nyo. Kayo pa rin gumagawa ng kapalaran nyo.
So we'll see which radio station
Ayun na.
Tin will
No, I'm
actually.
not moving to any radio station.
No, not yet. Which station Gino will move?
Ayan, pwede. That's a good question.
Yeah. Gino and Slick. Right.
Slick's leaving?
Nagulat si Tim.
We'll take a break and find out more what's in store for us in 2025. Stick around.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9. Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
All right, welcome back to the show. Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays!
Anong happy sa holidays?
We are hours, less than 48 hours.
Yeah.
Yon,
Away from a
tama.
brand new year.
Happy New Year!
To 2025.
Anong happy sa year?
Rizal Day din ngayon.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Happy Rizal
oh, yes.
Rizal Day.
Yes, Rizal
127 death anniversary.
Death anniversary.
Dr.
Okay.
Rizal, yes.
A lot of people are paying respects, and I believe
Yes, of course. Kailangan natin.
Jessica Soho was in did a tribute and something in Germany, how they've actually put up a Jose Rizal monument.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Oh man, I don't want to say this. I don't want to get it wrong.
Yeah,
but somewhere
don't
in
butcher
Germany,
it.
Yeah, somewhere in Germany, they actually, because he went to school there,
Ah, yeah.
Nas Rizal.
Oh.
he took up, I think, medicine.
Yes,
Yeah, medicine,
doctor siya. Doctor,
Doctor in Germany,
In Germany, yes.
and passed with flying colors.
I completely forgot this about him.
Yeah.
Yeah, si
Yeah.
Rizal.
Speaking about that, si Dr. Jose Rizal, yung ancestral house niya, right just beside sa ancestral house ko.
Ay, damn!
Yes,
nice.
tapos
Wow!
sa Luneta Park, yung Luneta Park na tribulto ni
Oh, yeah,
Rizal, we have that in our town.
Where's that in?
Kalamba.
Fujian. Fujian, China, Hokkien.
Oh, really?
Yes. Ayun ang,
Was he from there as well? Like
Yeah,
he visited?
wala na siyang lineage eh. Yung nagpunta ako doon, meron siyang ancestral house. Mas meron doon malaking tablet. Ancestral House of Dr. Jose Rizal nakasulat. Ganon.
Oh, I think I went there. I think I've seen
Yes.
that.
Yes. Yung katabing-katabing bahay na yun, it's my family's ancestral house.
Wow, next
Just
to that.
beside.
Okay.
Just beside. So nakikisilip ako, tapos nakikitanong ko sa mga pinsan ko doon, may nakatira pa ba dito? Sabi niya, wala nakatira dyan, wala na kasi naging lineage. Wala na naging next level daw, wala na.
Pero sa kanila pa rin nakapangalan.
Sa kanila, ganun talaga sa China kasi. Sa China, yung mga ancestral house, kung sino yung mga lolo, nandun sa isang tablet, may isang malaki kami.
Oh,
Tapos
interesting.
may ancestry ko saan ka galing, sino yung naging lolo ng lolo mo.
Jose Rizal was half everything?
No, siguro during the ancestor niya, meron siyang isang lola na may na Chinese.
Chinese.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yun ang nangyari doon.
Okay. Because I know
Very cool.
He was playboy, right?
Yeah,
Siya rin.
dami
Yeah,
niya.
that's kind of
Right? That's
common
what-
knowledge. Dami
Yeah,
siyang
that-
chicks.
ang dami niyang...
Pero yung pinakasikat niya, di ba si Josephine Bracken?
Bracken.
Yun.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like
Yun
that.
ang pinakasikat niya.
Diba?
Who, if I'm not mistaken, today in the museum, they launched some special, I guess, token to commemorate Brackett.
Oh.
Bracken.
Bracken?
Josephine
Josephine Bracken, yes. So,
Today.
Ah, galing naman. Wow.
Yeah, it's
Because it's Rizal Day?
it's an ancient piece that the museum got today, and they showcased.
I don't know if other universities here do this as well, but in DLSU, there is an actual course called JP Rizal that everyone
Really?
has to
Yeah.
take. Yeah.
Rizal course.
It's mandatory to take
Yeah.
before
It's
you
kind of
pass.
like Math 101, ganon. Everyone
Rizal,
takes it.
Rizal.
Yeah.
It's not elective.
JP
It's
Rizal.
really
speaking of fire, ngayon lang, meron na naman, 3 dayuhan. Patay sa sunog
Oh
sa
my
isang
God.
hotel sa Bangkok. Nasa 3 dayuhan, turista na nasawi matapos sumiklab ang sunog sa Ember Hotel sa Bangkok,
Oh,
Thailand.
Ember pa talaga yung
Oo,
pangalan.
Ember. Tapos December 30, ayon sa otoridad, patuloy pang inimbestigahan ang sanhi ng sunog. So, we're talking about fire.
Yeah.
Fire-related mga accident. Madami pa rin yan this coming 2025.
Dahil ba wood snake?
Yes, kasi si snake itself is a fire element. Tapos sa wood niya sa taas niya, pinapalakas niya lalo yung fire.
okay. So what should we be on the lookout for?
Huwag masyadong mainit, Papi Tones.
Ako patay.
Mainit pala.
Mainit ulo ko eh.
Yes. Si Tin.
Kanina pa ako nag-iinit dito.
Hindi na, agree.
2025, calmer nerves.
Dapat magkalm.
Dog pa ako. So
Yes.
kailangan talagang rumelax ako.
Kaya pa siya nagtatawal doon.
So are there going to be lots of fights and wars? Because if you're
The last
saying-
year yung wars,
Last year
diba?
yung war. This year, ahasan.
Naku, yari ka
Try
to.
Duran.
what?
Ahasan.
Like agawan ng jowa?
Yan! Last year, ang screenshot year eh.
Oo nga.
Ayan,
Truly.
Ngayon naman.
Pero agawan din ng jowa.
Gawa ng jowa. Pero
Jowa, asawa.
na screenshot.
So snake. The snake doesn't necessarily mean ahasin. Snake could also mean other good
Betray.
things.
Diba? Like when you say snake in the grass,
maraming meaning sa snake. Parang
Yeah.
dragon, marami siyang pwedeng meaning. Pero the energy of the snake ngayon is malakas talaga ang ahasan. Oo,
But
so,
also ahas means, isn't it in
Betrayal.
in medical terms? Is
ahas din yun. Oh,
ahas, snake.
yung sa parang
pero
stick,
pag,
whatever
pero
that
pag
is.
sinabi mo ahas, inaahas ako ni Papi Tones, inagaw yung girlfriend ko.
Yeah.
Sa Bible, ganun din. May ahas din
Ahas,
na.
ganun Papi Tones eh.
Okay.
Tones, nakaahas ka ba?
Ayan, Papi Tones, sige nga, nag-aahas ka ba, Papi Tones? O naahas ka na ba, Papi Tones?
Hindi papayag yan. Kasi hindi naman jowa-jowa yan eh, di ba?
I think they're free to do whatever they want.
Yes, very na si Papi Tones.
Progressive.
Nahit na niya.
Zen.
Mas mataas na level ng
Yung
mind.
rock ng tagumpay.
Di ba? Parang, okay. Ano gusto nyo? Okay. Diyan kayo masaya.
Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi ako ganun eh.
Bahala.
Bahala kayo dyan.
Yeah, if they want to stay and they want to hang out, then okay. If not, then they're free to go.
Yes.
I don't think
Tama naman.
I force.
Tama naman.
I've never forced
Sa
anyone.
relationship, mahirap ipilit yung ayaw na sa'yo.
True.
Yeah.
Totoo yan.
True. Pati sa trabaho.
Pag ayaw niya, di ba? Relationship.
Mas
ganun
lalo
din.
sa trabaho.
Si Papi
Kung
Tones.
ayaw niya, di
Si
ba?
Papi Tones. Napapasulat ulit si Papi Tones. Di ko alam kung ano sinusulat si Papi Tones. Kaya naman siya
Alam dyan.
kaya naman siya nagsusulat eh.
Nag-notes yan.
Maraming arguments.
Hindi ka na sinusulat. Tapos kanina,
yan,
tapos
babasahin
sinasabi natin
natin.
sinusulat natin. Sinusulat namin tayo sa, yung mga sinasabi natin. Yan.
Ano nga ba yan, Tones? What are you writing down? Notes.
All my notes. And I take a photo of it just to remind me throughout when the year starts.
Okay.
To keep my head cool.
Yeah.
And
Paano ba? How do you do that?
Yan. Sige, Papi Tones. Turuan mo nga kami. Ikaw
What do you
yung
mean?
Like, how do you regulate your anger?
Yan. Oo nga. Maganda yun, Papi Tones. How do
it's
you
not about regulating. It's the continuous practice of doing one thing over and over again. And one thing that I've learned to teach myself, and I think everyone, if you talk to them that practices it, is to meditate.
meditate?
It's really
I
helped
have
me.
ADHD though. My brain is noisy.
Exactly. So the more meditation is a consequence. So to get to a certain point is you practice it day by day, one day at a time. And it's like how I was able to like just cut cold turkey. It's a discipline. You build. You don't go to the gym and say, okay, I'm going to push 100-pound weight because I want my body to be. No, you push light weights until you can get to the heavy weights. So you do it every day as much as possible. And this is scientifically proven studies that because of meditation, 1%, if it's done in big groups, 1% of your environment can change.
Wow.
And with also what I've learned is there's nothing we can do to change people.
Ayun. Tama.
You
Nothing
can just
we
get
can
rid
do.
of them.
Get rid of them, but you cannot change.
Tama yun.
You can never change anyone. You gotta change the circumstances externally.
Yes.
But what you
Accept ko
can,
ano sila.
what you can have more control over is how we think, how we feel,
How we react.
how we react,
yes.
our actions towards people. That we have 100% control.
Yes, agree.
Think, feel, and because of that, I've learned that more than that's gotten me 3 to 4 years during the pandemic, and I stuck with it because I wasn't really into it prior to the pandemic, but that's what helped me to really
Meditate.
try to gather my thoughts, really think before I do anything stupid, which, I'm known to just, say shit on the air or in people's faces. I'm very blunt. I can be very blunt, but I've learned to somewhat subdue myself. Even my demeanor. Before I used to be like, yo, girl. Like now it's like,
Yo, girl.
What's your poison?
yeah, it sounds like,
Yo, girl.
I'm like, yeah, hi.
Malaki na mature, lalo nag-mature si Poppy Tones.
I don't know if it's
29.
mature. I don't
Siyempre
think
mature na 29 na siya eh.
I don't think it's mature. I think it's more subdued
Subdued na.
due to my lifestyle.
Yes.
If I go back, when the question is when, if I do go back to my old ways, which can happen, right?
Yeah.
People relapse. People go back to their old ways.
Yeah.
So do I go back to the old ways again and relive my?
I don't think you will.
I don't know. I don't want to say never.
I mean, if you ever do go back to drinking, I don't think it's gonna be uncontrollable like before.
I don't know.
Feeling ko. I mean, you're too now eh.
I don't know.
You're too in control. I don't think you're gonna allow yourself to go back to that.
Tapos na siya sa face na yun.
No. I don't want to say that. I don't want to say.
And you're so like when you say something, you're super disciplined. You really do
Totoo.
it.
Since nang sabi niya papapayat na siya, until now, ako tumaba.
Siya tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Every time makita ko, pabata ng pabata. Tapos, Papi, tapos yung ginagawa mo, continue siya. Yung consistency niya sa kibagay. Nalala ko, 12, 15 years ago, naging classmate ko si Papi Toad sa isang meditation class. Wherein sa isang room kami. Magkatabi kami. Magka-same room kami.
Nag-meditate
Hindi
Nag-meditate
massage
kami.
parlor to.
Iba pa yun.
Iba pa yung times na yun.
Times na yun.
Actually, it was with the late great Miss Gina Lopez.
Yes, totoo.
Who was she held in her
Yes.
that was her workshop.
Yes, her
Yeah,
workshop.
her foundation.
Yes.
Wait, let's take calls na. I'm sure people are excited to hear ano.
Sige, tara.
All right.
let's go.
So, are we gonna do the rundown on what's in store for the
Call
Zodiac
na muna
Sense or
tayo
calls?
siguro. Call na muna tayo para
Okay.
mapagbigyan natin
Sige.
sila.
863-10899. Or you can also do it via playback if you have any questions
Yes.
that you want to ask
Yeah.
Master Hans.
863-1099 if you guys are on the road. If you have any questions with
Tao
life,
sa kalsada, papatulong.
career,
Oo nga, walang tao sa kalsada.
Walang parking,
Walang
walang
traffic.
traffic. Napupunta
Walang
ka sa
traffic.
Love.
Haga ko sobra kasi walang traffic. Kala ko traffic.
wala,
Oh,
right?
walang
Sobrang
pasok
luwag.
eh. Walang
Then-
tao sa Manila.
Walang tao.
Everyone is away.
I think everyone's just trying to recover.
Yeah. I'm exhausted,
I am
man.
exhausted. Like I feel
I'm so
exhausted.
tired. Like December was crazy work-wise, and then the last few days. Oh,
I think we're all just on like adrenaline, going on adrenaline. Now we're feeling it.
And 863-10899.
We love to hear from you guys. Happy holidays. Hello.
Hello, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
This is MJ.
MJ, ano tanong natin for Master Hans?
For 2025, I wanna know what will be my love and career,
Sige,
please.
Love
MJ,
and career.
kukuha kita ng baraha pero after this, follow mo kami sa Instagram, okay?
Okay.
Okay, MJ, ang sabi ng baraha dito, right now, ano unahin mo, love or career?
Love.
Love, may relationship ka ba?
Wala.
Wala. Sabi ng baraha dito, the death card sa relationship. So try to nag-move on ka na ba, MJ, sa past? Kailan ba yung last relationship mo?
Uy, MJ, magandang tanong yan.
Kailan yung last relationship mo?
Last time na na-hurt yung heart ko, 2011 pa eh.
Tagal na nun.
Tagal na, MJ!
Tagal naman, MJ. Sumobra naman sa tagal nun. Ano nangyari after?
Nagkita kami last year eh.
Ayun!
shit.
Nagtanamaan ulit siya after 2011.
2011.
Nagkita sila last year.
13 years
Tagal na yun.
after.
Until now, nag-ano siya na naiaalala niya.
Death card, MJ, kailangan mo na raw mag-get over.
May asawa na ba to si ex mong to? Kasi 11 years.
Alright.
Ano? May
Meron na,
asawa
may asawa na siya, si girlie.
Mukhang happily single naman siya.
Happy. Kaya siguro.
Wait lang.
Kaya
So,
siguro.
are you thinking of getting back together?
No.
Ano? Okay.
Bakit after? Ba't MJ after nun?
Masyado dun eh.
Bakit after nun, MJ, hindi ka na nagkaroon ng jowa? Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Siguro naging busy lang sa work.
Sobrang
Wait, teka lang,
busy
MJ,
naman.
paki-off naman yung radyo mo.
11
Kasi
years.
nagbibingin kami
Wait
dito.
lang.
11 years ba naman? Sa tagal ba naman? MJ, ano ba nangyari? Saan ka ba nagpunta? Ano ba nangyari?
13 years.
Tagal na
13
nun.
years. 2011 to 2014.
Nagkita sila last year. Pinamano naman siya.
2011
Oh my
is
God.
wrong.
Grabe talaga yun.
Nag-try naman ako maghanap sa iba kaya lang wala talaga eh.
Just take your time, brother.
Ano bang type mo, MJ?
Kaya ano bang type? May tama.
Ano ba?
Ano ba?
Siyempre mas bata sa akin.
Ilan taong ka na ba, MJ?
37.
37. Ilang taon ang gusto mo?
35 or 34. Basta mas bata.
Bata na yun?
Bakit mas gusto mo mas bata?
Bata na Bata na ba yun? Hindi naman 37, 35 gusto niya. Bata na ba yun?
Dapat 30.
Bakit mas bata ang hanap mo, MJ?
Wala. Ayokong makipag-relationship mas matanda sa akin.
Oo.
Type mo lang, yun lang yung preference mo.
Preference, yes.
Okay, ano pa? Bukod pa doon, ano pa?
Ano ba? Sana
Sa
kung-
35, marami namang ngayon ah. Di ba?
Wala
Marami
akong
naman
makita
35.
Marami.
Nagtitender ka ba, Bumble?
Maturo ka kay ano? Kay Jojo.
Nag-try ako dati kaya lang wala olats din eh.
Oh, let's go.
Depende.
Sinong ano mo? Celebrity lookalike?
Ayan.
Celebrity lookalike. Ano ba? Bandol?
Si Bandol.
Vandal pa. Oh.
Ang classic mo, Vandal.
Uy, matinik mga komedyante. Ito naman si Babalo.
Oo, dami.
Katinik.
Kahit ganun.
So, kailan ka na last na pag-date, MJ?
Wala eh. Mga friendly.
Oh,
Ano
friendly.
lang eh.
Okay, sige. Wala tayong maadarating dito sa ano
Yeah.
na tayo? Work. Work. Okay. Bubunot ka na sa work.
Tama
Yeah.
Oh, sige na nga. Sa work,
Sorry,
sabi
guys.
ng para dito na the high priestess card sa work na trust your intuition. MJ, anong trabaho mo sa work? Anong trabaho mo yan?
Unemployed ako right now
Unemployed
pero I'm
din.
an architect by profession.
What architect?
Huwag ka na muna mag-girlfriend ha.
Huwag ka naman.
Magtrabaho.
Yes,
Oo.
isa yun. Tama. I totally agree with Papi.
Yo.
Yes,
Dun.
totoo yan.
Huwag ka muna mag-girlfriend.
Work on yourself
Tama.
first.
Tama yun. Totoo yun. Very,
Yeah.
iba na talaga si Papi Tones ngayon.
Work on
Nagugulat
my
ako
self-esteem.
sa mga words of wisdom ni Papi Tones.
Mababa ba self-esteem mo right now, MJ?
Medyo hindi ako super confident like Papi Tones eh.
Ayun. Oh. Dadaan ka sa store ko. Siguro baka matulungan kita sa mga requirement na kailangan mo. Na kailangan tapausukan.
Okay. Pwede last na pwedeng sa health. Kakagaling ko lang sa surgery.
Anong surgery?
Anong tinanggal sa'yo?
May tinanggal na malaking birthmark sa ulo ko.
Okay, akala ko bird. Natakot ako. Tinanggalan ka ng bird. Takot ako,
Oh, sabi
MJ.
na dito mukhang okay naman. Improving naman daw, sabi ng Justice Card sa'yo.
Alright, thank you.
Monitor mo
Nice,
na yun.
MJ.
Thanks, MJ.
Thank you,
Happy
MJ.
holiday.
Follow me ako sa Instagram, ha?
Ako na, sige, ako work.
Work.
Oh, yeah.
Kay Tin.
Oo nga.
Paano, papasin ko kunin? Si Tin kukuha? Papi Tones?
Ano?
Paano?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, yeah.
Gusto mo ako?
Yeah.
Tin has to get it, right?
Wait lang, ayusin natin talaga. Galingan mo, Tin, ha? May
Balasahin
binili ko yung
mo.
death card, ha?
Oh my God.
Binili ko yung death
Oh
card.
my
Wag
God.
mo kukunin yun. Binili ko. Kaya nakuha natin, eh. Babalik ko. Babalik natin para fair. Para fair. Wala tayong dayan. Okay, Tin, kuha ng card, ha?
Hold on, Tin. Hold on.
Tatlo yan, bibidyo. Okay, game. Get 3 cards.
Get 3 cards?
3 cards, 3 cards.
Okay.
Yan,
alright.
isa.
Alright.
Ayun na.
Sheesh.
Ayun na. Oh. Okay, tignan natin The first card. Oh, sabi ng Tin, talagang aalis na raw siya. 5 of Pentacles. Nakita mo, Papi Tones, oh.
Okay.
Ayun.
Talagang alis na siya.
Ano yan?
Alis na.
Tatat na.
What's that?
Alis na. She wants to, ayaw ko na.
Disappear.
Okay,
I'll
alright.
just...
Go. Okay.
Second card, Justice card. Talagang injustice daw ang nasa puso.
No!
Unfair! Injustice eh. Ba't ganon? Ba't ganon? Ba't ganyan? Yan ang
Okay.
nakita niya. The third card talaga, si Tin, hindi siya mag-bend down eh.
Okay.
I'm the Empress here. Hindi ako mag-bend down. Ganon.
What is that card?
The Empress card.
The Empress card.
Oh, hindi daw basta ano.
Hindi talaga tayo tutupi. Hindi talaga tayo tumutupi eh.
When's your last day? Your last day.
Oh, lilipat ba siya ng
Hindi
station?
ako lilipat.
Aalis daw siya eh.
Hindi ako lilipat.
But
Aalis daw siya.
But
para
walang
marami
bago.
siyang
Walang
injustice
lilipatan.
eh.
Hindi ako lilipat ng
Magpa-podcast
station.
ba si Tin?
Hindi siya magbe-bend down talaga eh. Empress to eh, parang...
okay, si Jojo.
Si Jojo,
Yeah.
ano gusto mo na tanong? Wait lang. Paano
Work
gusto
and
na tanong?
financial.
Papalasa ko rin. Work and financial, pares lang yun eh.
And
Kung may
then,
work ka, may financial ka. Kung wala kang work, wala kang
financial
financial.
na lang. Financial.
Sige, financial and work. Yun na rin yun. Pares lang yun.
Tama.
Kung wala financial, wala kang work. Kung wala financial, ka may work. Kaya lang naman yun. Ayaw mo ba work and love life? Ayun.
Love life.
Love life?
Sunod na yung love life.
Sige, work muna. Pera muna. 3 cards, 3 cards.
Magtrabaho ka muna.
Trabaho ka muna, payaman muna. Mayaman na si Papi. Ayan, dalawa na to
Dalawa na yan.
Dalawa na lumabas. Okay, tingnan natin. First card. Talagang hirap din ang ano niya. Struggling din sa work.
Struggle sobra.
Struggle ka pa?
Daming trabaho.
Struggle pa rin ang daming trabaho.
Ng trabaho and then
How are
stress.
you struggling?
The stress. Daming sa Australia, daming demand for...
Pero sa income, okay naman ba siya sa income?
Okay naman sa income, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Sabi ng brad dito, parang maigpit pa rin siya sa pera ngayon eh. Makuripot, ano pa rin eh. Ano sa pera. Pero parang may ipunin daw this year.
May po.
Nice one,
Baka may
Jo.
property
Sana
coming soon
makabili
ka this
na.
year. Makakabili ka na ng property sa
Properties
2025.
are...
Nice one, Joe!
Very good.
St. Peter's.
St. Peter.
Gago!
Di pa naman.
Gago ka taon.
Ano ba yun? Bahay or kotse? Pasahan. Basta
Siyempre
may
bahay.
bahay.
Bahay muna bago
Sana,
magkotse. Bahay muna pa, Jojo.
Okay.
Oo, diba?
Sana,
Love life
sana,
na. Love life na.
Love
Excited na siya eh. Na-vibes ko yung ano niya, yung energy niya. Gusto niya, love life na.
Sige na nga,
sige na nga,
Joe. Love life, love
Galingan
life.
mo, ha?
Tignan natin.
Huwag ka iyak.
Di naman.
Baka umiyak ka, ha?
Hindi, parang over na siya.
Over na.
Wala.
Healed na yan, healed.
Yeah, very good, ha?
Are you healed?
Ayan, ha?
Help na ako.
Iyak siya eh.
Meron ka
Three
mga time din na di na heal. Ito, as
Di
a
na
hands.
heal. Oh, three cards.
1.
Nagko-comment kasi siya sa akin. Sana all!
Sana all.
Nagko-comment. Jojo nagko-comment. Ay, sana bakit? Tignan ko ano nangyari. Sabi ng Barhadit sa love life, parang okay na rin. Parang
Kaya na?
Naka-move on na.
Nakapag-move on na.
Yan.
Tignan natin second
Ang
card.
bilis, mag-move on. Sobrang bilis.
Second card, parang Joe, kailangan mo na talagang mag-go out, makipag-date din.
Ah, wow!
Wag.
Parang
Kawawa yung
marami
girl.
daw. Parang ano pa rin eh. Si Jojo, ano pa rin, mixed emotion. Biglaan lang siya nagkiklik. Biglaan namimiss ng sobra.
Si Girlie?
Girl,
Si ex?
Siya ang nakakamiss. Bigla siya
Namimiss mo ba, Jo?
Yes,
Minsan?
Wala siyang-
Aminado naman ako. I admitted that sometimes I miss the girl.
Ilang months na ba? Months, years na ba na ano? Wala.
Isang buwan na yun.
Isang buwan?
Mag- isang buwan.
Move on eh,
Ang bilis naman mag-move on.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Master Hans, eh.
One month
Bilis talaga.
One pala.
1 month lang?
Magwa 1 month na sa 29.
Wag mo 1 month
You don't talk to her anymore?
Nag-message lang siya. Kamusta lang? Yun lang. Okay lang. Normal.
I'm sure you miss her.
I miss her. May pinagsamahan naman
Ano yung pinaka-namimiss mo sa kanya, Jo?
our dates.
Every day. May date sila. Every day may posting yun.
Oh, eh.
Diba talagang...
Oh, grabe to mag-post.
Oo, every day. Nagulat ka ako. Talagang, ha? What
Actually,
happened?
there's only one other person that posts more than Jojo. Si Sam YG.
Sam is very...
Sama.
Tsaka ito.
Yes.
Regarding their dates.
Yes.
Sinabayan eh.
Sinabayan niya.
Hindi ako nagsabay.
Naubos yung budget ito. Wala nang post.
Wala nang post, tama.
Yung budget ni Summer G, malalim yun. Malalim. Oh, well. Well is deep.
Sumubay eh.
Hindi ko kaya yung Sambay G. Mayaman yun eh.
What's well in Tagalog? Balon? Balon. Malalim ang balon.
Malalim ang well.
Ayan, si Tones naman.
Di ba tayo tapos sa'yo? Tapos na ba?
No.
Tapos ka na ba?
Okay.
Tapos hindi ko pa tayo tapos.
Sige, masan.
Okay na. Sige na.
863108999. Other listeners, if they wanna, or even
the playbackers.
On playbackers, yeah, Darwinator, Midnight Love, direct. If you guys have all they have to do is their birth date.
No need for birthday.
No need.
Don't post your birthday for your privacy purpose.
Oh yan, siya.
Direct. Anong gusto mo?
Anong gusto mo? Kung
Career?
ka?
May love life na ka na eh.
May love life yan. Huwag ko love life ha.
Pera na lang.
Career, health.
Health.
Ganito ko ka na isang barahan.
Huwag ka direct.
Akala ko bakit kala mo si Mastas mata dito.
Alvin, alis na daw talaga ako, Alvin.
Sasara kayong pinto.
3 cards ko ha, 3 cards.
Ayan.
Yan si Direk.
Kanina may papasok ikaw na doon sa pinto. Ikaw
Yes.
Ayan. Yung director namin.
Direk, okay, first card, may blessing si Direk.
Nice one, Direk.
Direk, may blessing. No? Sabi ng barahan dito, Direk, kailangan ka mag-socialize.
Yun, socialize. Kailangan
Kulang ka lumabas.
Hindi ka sumasama sa amin eh.
Sa umaga para makapag...
Kailangan ka lumabas. Marami ka ng...
Pag Thursday, sama ka
Marami ka ng wala ka ng live.
Nasa pag Thursday, wala ako sa boys na ito. Tinanggal ako pag Thursday.
Ingat ka sa aksidente.
Yun, baka
Ingat sa aksidente.
Nagmamotor pa naman yan.
Isa sa health, motor, even though you're not mataba, possible of stroke. Ingat daw.
Oh.
Where's that?
Stroke.
On the card?
On the card, yes.
Sige.
Yes.
Exercise.
And nag-check up ka na ba? Nagpa-blood test? May BP ka? May take ka bang meds na for BP? Wala naman. Very good pag wala naman. Pero nagpapacheck ka ba? Ang tanong. Pinapag-monitor mo ba regularly yung BP mo para magkaroon tayo ng baseline?
Sabi niya yung rubes. Naku, yung gout mo.
Yung gout mo.
Mo din. Yung gout may kinalaman din yun sa mga high blood pressure mo. Oo.
Sige, pa-check up ka na.
Pa-check up ka na. Kidney or liver also have to monitor. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Nice one,
Hindi ka
Alvin.
tinakot, but kundi para awareness lang na, we have to take care of the health din. Huwag kang pante. Hindi tayo bumabata. Si Papi lang bumabata. Si Papi Tones lang bumabata.
Hirap ba? Hindi nga eh. Stress mo.
Daming problema yan.
Stress.
Thanks, Direk. Hello? Hello? Hi. Okay, oh my God.
We lost you. Sorry. Call back again.
Turn off your radio before you call. My God.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, this is Irvin. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Irvin. Happy holidays.
Yeah,
What do you want to ask, Master Hans? Work? Love life? Health?
Probably health because last 2024, sorry I have my kids here. Last 2024 I got an angioplasty, so I wanted to know my health for next year.
Anong month yun? What month?
September.
Ilan taong ka na?
47.
47, nag-angioplasty. Tignan natin sa barahan ng kapalaran mo. Sabi ng barahan dito, ingat daw meron pa rin daw kailangan i-monitor. How's the health right now after the angioplasty mo?
Actually I'm good. So I started, working out and I actually lose like 10 kilos.
Wow.
Congrats. Pero may nakita ko rito na dapat bantayan. Nag-over mo rin naman. Nakapagpahinga ka ba?
Yeah, actually yes. But unfortunately, I work in a contact center, so I used to work at night.
Yun.
So minimal sleep.
Baka kailangan palitan mo na rin kasi hindi ka na rin dumabata. Baka kailangan mo na rin ng work na maayos yung oras.
Okay.
Try mo, consider mo lang naman yun. Ayun ang sabi ng baraha mo kasi health mo is
Time differential is big eh.
Malaki bagay.
Actually, I feel like we're gonna it's an epidemic, the BPOs eh. The night differential is, I think,
hindi naman siya bad yun, pero sa kanya, sa situation niya, kasi nga kaka-angioplasty lang niya, tapos nakita sa baraha
even in
dito.
future, sleeping late, and then mag-yosi, dami nila nag-yosi eh.
Yeah, inom.
Tapos sleeping late, kakain ka ng mga fatty foods pa.
Fried
foods pa. Talagang sunod-sunod yan.
Yeah,
Help
I have
mo.
good thing that I don't have any like vice, like drink. I don't drink.
Very
I don't
good.
smoke.
Very
So
good.
it's really more of like food when
Oh, yeah.
I got that blockage in my arteries.
Yeah, just change you balance out your eating habits. Yun lang yun.
Definitely, yeah. After my angioplasty, I started like eating brown rice, fish,
Nice.
and minimal, meat.
Yan.
Wow.
Okay yan.
More vegetarian ka na. Papi Tons, are you vegetarian na?
Fish.
Fish ka. Si Papi
Seafood.
Tons.
Pesca.
Pescatarian.
Pescatarian.
Like, almost 6 years.
Oh, yeah. Kay Papi Tons talaga pagdating sa health talaga, yung
On point.
consistency niya. Consistency niya. Talagang the best talaga.
We're praying for you.
Thank you. Thank you for
Okay,
calling.
thank you.
And happy
Thanks,
holidays.
Irvin.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
Nice talking to
Year.
you. Bye-bye.
Follow mo ako sa Instagram.
Bye.
All right. Thank you guys for calling. We got a few more, right? A few more minutes, 8 more minutes. If you guys want to ask anything, go Maui Official. If there's something that you want to ask, Rubes.
Just tell us if it's career, love life, or health. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Who's this?
Ayun, nakasingit din.
Yun, sige.
Sumingit ka lang.
Oh,
Yeah,
Jojo.
hi, this is Andy pala.
Hi, Andy.
Andy. Hi, Andy.
Yeah, I just want to ask lang sana, Master Han, for people that born year the dragon, yung career, money-wise, saka yung health.
Okay, let's go sa Year of the Dragon. Dapat pala after nito, i-rundown ko yung 12 animal sign. Sa Year of the Dragon this year, activated ang money victory success nyo po. So, mas better ang year ng Dragon this year, 2025, kesa sa 2024. Si Papi Tons, nag-notes na naman. Oo, mas better na ang pera niya. Tapos yung health naman, mas better na rin ang health nyo. Exercise. Nag-exercise ka ba, Andy?
More inom-inom.
Yun, awang exercise niyo.
Party.
Ilan taong ka na? Exercise. Ilan taong ka na, Andy?
36.
36.
Bata pa.
Party.
29 ka lang eh.
29 si Papi Tons.
So confused.
Okay, so exercise this year for the Dragon.
Yes,
Okay.
exercise. Wala ka naman exercise, Papi Tons. Fit na fit ka rin. Totoo mo, pang 18 years old, yung damit mo, extra small. Di ba? Extra small. Ganun kayami ang Papi Tons ko. Extra small.
And then, what else do you want to know?
Ano ba gusto malaman?
Love life.
May jowa
Meron
ka
ba?
May jowa ka ba ngayon? Kailan last jowa mo?
Wala nga eh. For the kabitseri tayo since years, the snake next year. Ganun lang. De joke lang.
What?
Kabit ka?
Sort of.
Oh my God. Tingnan natin sa barahan dito ng kapal.
Okay, ayan. Bubunot na si
Oh
Master
my
Hans.
God.
So, is it ongoing?
Yes, meron daw kapit-kabiters.
Medyo
Meron daw. Sabi ng barahan
rocky
dito.
kami ngayon. I don't know kung...
Philip ba yung pangalan
alam na
nito?
ni girl. Baka ma-screenshot tayo. Sabi ganyan.
Magbubura. Pero nakita sa baraha dito na talaga yung sa relationship mo. sa relationship mo may wala walang kang comment eh.
I'm trying to keep a straight face.
Kasi sabi na pag
Shit.
Mainit.
Hong Kong sila, okay? Hayaan mo sila.
biglang
Mainit si Tin eh.
Tinatanong ko lang si Philip ba yung jowa ni Madam?
si Papi Tos biglang tapali sa mouth.
Like, shit, world war.
Okay, pero sa'yo, sabi ng barahay mo dito, sa relationship na to, parang may nakita akong financial involvement eh. Kaya sa relationship na to. Oo, pero parang ang...
Sugar daddy ba to?
He's dating you, may perang ganun.
Medyo.
May involvement ng ganun.
Mga nasa 50 years.
Oh.
50 year?
50-ish.
50.
Hindi, ba't ilang years na kayo?
Bago pa lang.
Going 3?
Tagal na rin. 3 years is a...
Where'd you meet him?
Sa dating app.
Ayun.
Well, I don't know kung... Kasi, latter part na kasi lang, siguro, around 2 years na kami nung sinabi niya na meron daw siyang
yun lang.
wife.
What?
Two children.
Yo, ang daming ganyan.
Daming ganyan.
Tama.
Okay.
Nung time na bago pa lang kayo, hindi mo siya sinustalk online, gano'n sa Facebook, gano'n?
Masyado kasing tago yung account niya eh. Even yung face recognition sa
Kaya pala tago eh.
email,
May asawa.
even siya lumalabas doon. So parang,
Wow.
magaling, siya, maboka.
Nung nalaman mo, how did you know? Umamin ba siya or nahuli mo?
Nakainom kasi kami pareho noon.
Yun, okay.
Tapos there was, parang, syempre pag magkarelasyon kayo, alam mo na you're doing things na, di ba? So parang may fetish kami pareho.
Oh.
So parang out of nowhere.
Anong fetish nyo?
Anong fetish nyo daw? Kailangan malaman ni Tones.
Anong fetish
Anong fetish
nyo?
yun? Sige,
Oh my God, parang
Paglasing?
Paglasing yun.
yung gusto mo ba, yung nakakadumo is may partner o open ka ba na halimbawa meron akong partner na ganito ganyan or meron akong let's say wife na will gonna watch us while
okay, gets. Okay.
Cockhold.
So parang
So, Voy,
sabi ko, medyo weird siya. Pero sabi ko, I can try. Sige, let's explore tayo. Kasi we're not getting younger naman. So, okay. Tapos bigla niya sinabi, what if I tell you na meron ako talagang wife talaga and kasal ako?
What the heck? That's how he told you? A year into your relationship?
Tapos lasing siya. Ano sinabi sa kanya?
Oh my
Tapos,
gosh!
nasa ano sila fetish mode?
Sabi ko parang
Kaya pala wala si Slick.
Okay. Sige, laban na. Sabi mo, yung pet mo na fetish. Sige, okay lang.
this is...
Wow! Hindi
Parang niya ba,
hindi mo
Eric?
naisip na, okay, may asawa ka pala, alis na ako. Hindi siya dumapo sa isip mo?
In love day.
Siguro mas nangibabaw si Elsa Marie.
Si Elsa.
Libog, hindi man lang love. Libog.
Kasi parang, kasi, natuto na kami sa, alam mo yun, akala ko naman kasi, kwento-kwento lang. Tapos, totoo pala talaga siya. Okay. Wala babita ang ate mo. Okay, sige, laban.
Elga, laban.
So, gusto mo na ba sanang tumiwalag? Ayaw mo na? Or gusto mo pa siyang ituloy?
Laban.
May part siguro, kasi syempre nakukonsensya naman ako, naman, diba? I mean, pamilyadong tao.
Okay, sige. Let's say, ito lang sa akin lang to. Hindi kita gina-judge, walang ganon.
Yes.
More of, unahin mo na yung sarili mo ngayon pa lang na 36 ka na. Kesa down the line, iisipin mo na, I wasted my best years on this man na hindi ko naman talaga makukuha.
Uy, ang ganda nun
Ay, alam mo, bet ko yan, de.
Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nun.
Umalis ka na.
Sa babae, ang ganda.
Umalis ka na ngayon pa lang habang...
Magaling to kasi galit eh. Palagi dapat ganyan eh.
Magaling siya.
Girl, mas marami. Alam mo...
No, Tin has been there, done that.
Maraming mas magaling pa dyan. Alam mo, okay, I was in an extremely toxic relationship with a horrible man because he made, iba pa yun, ito 5 years. He made me believe na wala na ibang papatol sa akin. Girl, guess what? I'm fabulous. I am beautiful. I am successful. And yes, marami pang pumatol sa akin after that. So you have to bet on yourself. You can't think na, okay, hanggang dito na lang ako because maybe that's what he makes you feel. But that's not true. You need to see your value. Because the longer you stay here, the longer you're wasting your time. And that's time that you cannot get back.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
Tama.
Ang ganda naman yung Tin. Ba't mo sabi na kuha yun?
Tama naman.
Ang ganda nga. Hindi na tama. Ang ganda.
Single guy.
Huwag mo sayangin yung panahon mo, girl. Huwag mo sayangin yung ganda mo. Don't waste your youth on this man.
Napaano kami 3 boys eh.
Oh.
You wanna waste it? You wanna waste it on someone? Waste it on me.
Oo, alam mo, kung gusto mo sayangin yung youth mo, don't waste it on someone na hindi mo
Kung
makukuha.
gusto mo dirt,
Alam mo naman yun di ba? I mean, no matter how he
sandpit
tries
na.
to tell you na, iwanan ko to, hindi, magulo kami, hindi, balang araw sa'yo. Hindi totoo yan.
Can you send us your IG?
Ayan na.
Just so Tin can see.
Marami kasi talagang promises talaga.
Huwag ka maniwala, sis. Huwag ka maniwala. Kasi kung magiging totoo yung promises na yun, di sana nangyari siya in year 2, in year 3.
Yes. Wow!
Huwag mo sayangin yung sarili mo.
Ang ganda naman.
Hindi, seryoso kasi, alam mo yun, if aalis ka, in, let's say, 4 years, girl, 40 ka na, medyo mahihirapan ka na maghanap.
Ang ganda.
Ngayon na 36 ka pa lang, kayang-kaya mo pa maghanap.
Yeah.
Speechless kami.
Ay, siguro talaga na try ako to sa mga dito. Alam mo, marami din kasi nasasabi ng mga friends din, yun nga. Kasi, syempre, hindi talaga siya maganda talaga. Kasi, may pamilya sa tao.
Tanggalin na nga natin yung, kasi, di ba, ngayon, di ba, sinasabi nila, the feminist way of seeing it is, yung wife, dapat sa asawa niya magalit. Kasi yung asawa niya naman yung nag-promise sa kanya, di ba? So, kahit tanggalin mo na yung pamilya niya, wala kang pakialam sa kanya. You don't know them. Isipin mo yung sarili mo. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
also, on another note, whether you stick by him or not, and you want, before you even get into another relationship, fill your cup. Fill your cup. That way, kahit may lalaki, kahit wala, okay ka pa rin. I think you have to see the value.
Buuin mo muna yung sarili mo.
You have to see your value. Not because someone else is better, but because you deserve better for yourself. Not because there's someone else there, or there may be someone else, but because you deserve better. So, I always tell this to people that are single is see the joy in being single for now. We always find and the blueprint or the narrative here is you're never fully happy if you don't have a partner. And I like to always say, but to be truly happy is to be happy with your own life.
Yes.
And then having a partner is it's just
that's cherry on top.
Cherry on top. Kasi kung miserable ka, tapos you find someone who makes you happy, fine, okay. Tapos umalis yun. Ang gagawin mo?
Or namatay, di ba?
Yan. Ang gagawin mo, you're gonna give up on life because one
ikaw
person.
Yung cake, ikaw yung icing, siya lang yung cherry sa taas.
I know it's hard because the libog, the sarap blinds us. You know, the forbidden fruit blinds us. It's great it's fun, right? But it's been 3 years. 3 years
Marami
and
talaga. Kasi alam mo, hindi ko din in-imagine na aabot kami ng ganun katagal. And alam mo yung pag nandoon ka na, parang, di ba, may part kasi na gusto mo ng parang asawa ka na, gusto mo ng something new. Pero para kang nahihypnotize, para kang, hindi ko alam kung totoo pala talaga yung yung
Gayuma?
Parang gano'n, na parang pag nandoon ka na, parang hindi ka na makahindi.
Alam mo namang ikaw lang ang talo dyan, di ba? Ikaw lang ang talo dyan. Hindi siya talo. Hindi siya aalis hanggat ikaw hindi ka umaalis.
Yeah. Sobrang galing ba?
Hindi matatapos yan hanggat hindi mo tapusin.
Sobrang galing ba siya?
Well, siguro, there's something unique.
Alam mo, if you promise me na uunahin mo yung sarili mo, iiwanan mo to, I will send, from my own money, I will send you a toy that can also make you just as satisfied. Kung yun lang ang habol mo.
Can I get a toy too?
Nandiyan naman si Tones.
The promise kasi, nanghihinayang ako sa time mo.
Tama.
Nanginay ako sa oras mo.
I'll deliver it. I'll deliver it.
Do you have Instagram?
Nangihinayang ako sa oras mo. Kasi I don't want you to look back at this in 4, 5, 6 years and say, I wasted my youth on this man.
Year of the ano ka?
Dragon.
Year of the?
Ox ako.
Maganda combination, Dragon.
Thank you, Rob Paredes.
Dragon and Ox are good combination.
Girl, get out.
Gusto mo ba meet si Jojo?
As in, hindi kita kilala, but I care about you and I care about what happens to you. So get out.
I appreciate it. Salamat, girl.
Ganda.
Get out. Not for the family, not for the wife. Get out for you.
Love yourself first. About anything else.
Truly.
It's easy to say, hard to do. I know you're in a hole, and you know, you're in a comfort zone na eh.
Kayang-kaya mo umalis. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
But kaya naman umalis eh. You were living without him for 33 years of your life without him. You met him on your 33rd birthday, right? So 3 years with him. Okay, you lived and you learned.
Nag-enjoy ka, sige.
Nag-enjoy, exactly. And now, do you want to stick around? Do you see something of value happening or not? I'm sure you don't. I'm sure you think at the back of your head, nako, shit, I'm in a tough spot. This guy is not going to leave his wife and his kid. He's not. It's all broken promises. And like I said, it's easy to say, hard to do is to leave. Letting go is hard. It's so hard. It's one of the hardest things is letting go. But I hope you see the light one day. Yeah. And I think...
And sana soon.
Yeah, no.
But it's on her own time. We cannot force you to leave. Your friends cannot force you. They can say whatever they want.
Nasa'yo talaga yan.
But at the end of the day, you've had enough.
Maging okay na rin. Na, alam mo yun, I can live by my own.
You know what? You pick up a hobby.
Kaya mo yan.
Get a hobby. I don't know what hobbies you enjoy. Sip and go. Is it a run club? Is it a CrossFit? Is it a yoga class? Pilates? Cycling? Yoga? What is it? What's some other hiking club? Hiking a group? Book club, reading group. There are so many groups that you can find online. Best of the Best has a great network. Their database, medyo malawak siya.
Yeah, I'm ganda.
BOTB, hey, I am a single female looking to meet new friends. Someone just posted something the other night. She's coming out of a relationship, I think, and she has no friends. She's newly annulled or divorced, I think. And wala siyang barkada dito sa Pinas, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And she put that on Best of the Best. And so many people here, I'll be your friend. Hey, I'll hang out with you. I know how it feels to be single and starting all over again. It's not easy to start all over again.
That's super hirap.
You whether you sleep in the same bed as he or she, getting up at several times in the night, knowing that bed's empty, knowing that you're not going to receive a text.
Good morning.
Knowing that you're not going to send a text to someone that you've been sending text for 3 years of your life. These are all comfort zones. It's hard to let go, but you're going to need to do it sometime or another. And I wish you the best.
Yung comfort zone mo hindi rin naman super comfortable. Kasi sige, magte-text ka ng good morning. Pero ilang oras bago siya mag-reply kasi baka makita na asawa niya.
Hindi naman ako yan.
True.
Tapos, huwag mong kalimutan, niloko ka rin niya. Kasi he didn't tell you that he was married.
And you destroyed the family.
He does not deserve you. You're fabulous.
Yeah. Find single guy.
Not even find a single guy. Ano ka ba, Joe? Let her be single. And thrive. Let her thrive.
Yeah, buuin mo muna yung sarili mo. Hindi ganun kahirap. Promise. You just have to start.
You have to be able to stand on your own.
You have to be brave enough to start.
Yeah. Stand on your own again. And the first step is moving onwards and letting go. But
kaya mo yan. I believe in you.
Thank you.
We're in your corner.
Yes. Kaya
You can do it.
Update mo kami.
Update mo ako. Follow mo sa IG.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New
Thank
Year.
you for calling.
Thanks for calling and thank you for listening to Boys Night Out.
Thank you
Ingat.
for sharing. Ganda nun. Ang ganda naman ang comment mo ngayon.
Mainit tayo.
Mainit naman.
Mainit tayo. Mainit.
Lahat talaga. Wow! Wala ko nasabi. Pati si Papi to sila nasabi.
Pero totoo naman, diba?
Totoo nga. Lahat. Sobrang ganda ng point of view. Sobrang ganda ng comment mo lahat. Ang ganda.
Well, she can give first-hand experience.
I was cheated on by 2 long-term relationships. So I can kaya sinabi ko na nga sa kanila, diba, tanggalin mo na sa equation yung legal wife, yung legal family. Just think of yourself.
Yeah. 5 years and 8 years siya. Yeah. Very tough relationship.
But now, I'm super happy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Ilang years na kayo?
Ni Pao?
5?
8.
8?
Uy, congrats
Bilis ano?
Oh, shit.
And you're
Sobrang
engaged.
bait niya, Master Hans.
Nakita ko naman siya. Very supportive.
Very.
Lagi na nandito.
Walang chicks yan.
Walang chicks.
Walang chicks.
Mabait siya.
Sobra, wala.
Huwag mo pakilala kami, Tons.
Close nga sila eh. Leche.
Dinala ko sa silo eh.
Galing kami lamay, dinala niya sa silo.
Nasa DJ booth. But naka-photoshop.
Ay, nako.
Are we gonna do a rundown?
Ay, Kim Francisco, who
Hey,
just
Kim.
played basketball with Pao. Sabi niya, sa basket daw, hindi mabait si Pao. Hi to Bea!
Bea.
Lebro Rivera! Hi,
Hey,
Bea!
Happy holidays. Where are you spending it? Family?
I think so,
Yeah.
because she just got back from the States.
Yeah.
She was there for a few weeks.
For a while.
Yeah.
Tagal, ha?
Miss you, Bea. See you soon. Uy, pag may overtone, sama natin si Bea. The next one.
Next month. Are we doing the rundown quickly?
Rundown natin quickly. Year of the Rat muna tayo.
Sige.
So, ang pinanganak ng Year of the Rat.
Okay.
May scam and cheating betrayal.
Shit!
Sino bang rat?
Hindi ko alam.
Kala ko naman, ikaw yun. Nag-react lang. Sa pagkakano.
Di ba what's Gino?
Teka, check ko
Gino is
like,
Anong year yun?
Hindi ko alam Pig.
Pig.
Pig siya.
Hindi, rat.
Rat?
Yeah, rat.
Oh, rat.
Yan, siya yan. May ano?
Cheating and betrayal.
Damn.
Delikado pala.
Kaya pala na pa.
Kahit di pumasok.
Okay, let's go into Ox. Sa Ox naman, may 5 yellow fortune star, pero si Ox po is good friend ng Year of the Snake this year.
Good friend of
Good friend ng Snake, pero may 5 yellow fortune star siya. Parehas po sila ni Tiger. Maraming mga trouble.
Trouble for Ox?
Yes. Ox, lalo na si Tiger. Tiger mas troublesome this year.
No.
After niyan, si Rabbit naman po, wealth multiplication. Marami siyang pera na makukuha.
Sino?
Maging rabbit?
Rabbit.
Sino ba rabbit sa?
Okay, so kung rabbit ka, Year of the Rabbit, send your resumes. Sa Boys Night Out 899.
Yeah.
We will
We'll vet you.
Yeah.
And then, ano pa?
Tapos yung Dragon naman, meron siyang Victory and Success Star. So,
Nice
good
one,
year na
Tones.
ngayon kay
Tones.
Dragon this year.
Victory and Success Star.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Sarap!
Last year kasi conflict
Dadami pang pera nito.
Yes, dadami
naman.
pera ngayon.
Tony Tones pa ba?
After
No.
Dragon si Snake naman. Snake
It's such a difficult year.
Snake this year, kailangan lang niya i-cure yung Taiso, yung clash niya for the year. Other than that, Victory and Success Star din ang Snake.
Nice.
Si Horse naman po, meron siyang Heaven Blessing Star. Very good din po si Horse ngayong taon na to.
Wow.
Si Goat or Sheep naman po, this year meron naman siyang Money Star.
Sheep.
Ship.
Year of the ship? Money Star.
Money Star.
Money Star si Sheep?
Sheep po. Si Year of the Monkey naman, best friend ni Year of the Snake. Maraming opportunity and Money Star si Monkey ngayon.
Okay.
Maraming
Opportunities and money.
Sarap.
Tapos si Rooster, Love, Life, and Wisdom.
Nice.
Si Dog naman po ay Money Star and Anger and Misunderstanding.
At least may pera ako.
Si Pig ang pinaka-problematic ngayong taon na to. Dahil si Pig po, siya po ay clash for the snake. At sino ba Pig?
Yari siya. Anong mangyayari?
May conflict siya this year. Bad yung year ng Pig this year. Tsaka merong anger.
Conflict tsaka
Anger, yes.
Anong
Anger.
conflict? May
Mabigat ang year ng Pig ngayong taon na to. Kalaban
Dami yung
kasi.
problema.
Ano?
Problema.
Away sa love? Hindi naman.
Away sa love.
Yari yung friend natin.
Away. So yun, meron.
What was it before Pig? It was
Dog. Dog is may anger, misunderstanding. May Money Star ang Dog. And Pig is talagang totally bad talaga for...
Who was the Heart and Wisdom? Love and Wisdom.
Si Rooster.
Rooster.
Yes.
Si Pau, Year of the Pig daw.
Ayun, problema.
I have to. Huwag mo bibigay yung bigay ko sa kanya. Isa lang yan.
Okay.
Tapos may bibigay ako kay Pau.
Okay, sige.
Remind mo na. Pag the next guest
Sige.
ko.
Next week agad.
Pag wala namang...
Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year. Pag walang guest si Papi Tones.
Yeah, Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year, yes. Kahit New Year, pag maluwag naman ako. Basta pag isang text na ni Papi Tones, hindi ko siya kinukulit ng guesting kasi kala ko wala siya sa Philippines. Gulat ako dito sa Philippines.
Yeah.
We need to do this again when there are people on the road.
Yes,
because everyone is
walang
gone.
tao ngayon.
Yeah.
Walang tao
Everyone
ngayon,
is
Papi Tones.
on vacation.
Walang tao. Kahit ikot tayo sa kalsada.
Wala.
talagang
There's
tao.
zero traffic.
As in, tas umulan pa. Walang lumalabas.
Yeah. It took me 35 minutes to get here. That's insane.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kung nagahan ko, kala ko malilate ako. Yung sobrang aga naman ako. Walang tao. Walang tao at ganito ako. Sobrang aga. Alam mo naman, traffic dati, agahan mo. Baka pagtapos ko, mag-worry ko, baka pagbating ko dito, tapos na yung show. Hindi pa, napagating ko na pang tao.
Pagdating ko dito na sila.
Pagdating ko na tao. Pagdating ko si Jojo, mas maaga pa raw. Umalis to si Jojo kumain.
Since Alice Sitin, gusto mo magana?
Pwede, of course.
Alice na to eh. Next
Boys
week.
Night Out.
Wala na siya.
Anytime
So,
naman.
ikaw na lang papalit.
Anytime ako.
Sige.
Lagi ako. Isang text lang ako ni Papi.
Si Gino Alice, kamusta yung schedule mo?
Okay naman.
Itong dalawa.
Ayun, yun lang.
Oh my God. Well, thank you guys for coming by. Master Hal, can follow you? And
follow me, please. Follow me sa aking Instagram. Very active po ako. Sa Facebook, makikita mo sa lahat ng TV, sa lahat ng network, sa lahat ng channel, sa lahat ng mga podcast, whatever.
Thriving on Master Hans.
Walang tulog.
Okay.
Walang tulog. Master Hans ko, follow niyo po ako.
Okay, so to recap. So gold is the lucky color.
Correct.
For 2025. The color of the year is Mocha Mousse.
Yes.
Complementary sila
And what you want to do is you want to turn on all your lights on New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. Yes,
Suerte
para
ka daw.
maliwanag.
Mga things that are suerte. Clean the condo or the house.
Yes, totoo syempre.
12 kinds of fruits.
Correct.
If you are single, pink bed sheets.
Yes.
In a relationship,
If you're a couple, red. Or red. And is it polka dot shirts?
Polka dot shirts, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, polka dot shirts.
And 9 incense or whatever.
Yes, 9 cents is very good.
Okay.
Yes.
That's about it.
Thank you, Master Tony.
No.
Thank you. Alam mo, gusto ulit mag-thank you kay Tony. Alam mo, walang Master Hans kuha kung walang dahil kay Tony. Thank you for the opportunity.
Star Maker,
Yeah.
Star Maker talaga yan.
Very good-hearted.
Lahat ng hinawa kay Tony,
Very good-hearted
naging
si
successful.
Papi Tones talaga, and napaka-sincere at talagang honest na tao. Totoo. Thank you to for the friendship.
Unless babae ka. Hindi siya masyado honest.
Alam ko yun, pag babae. Alam ko naman yun.
Yung mga babae kinasal na.
Gusto mo dishonest na guy.
Year of the ano siya. Yung dishonest na guy. Year of the... Year of the...
I think Neil.
Sino ba sinasabi? Hindi ko alam.
June, July, I think. Yeah, something around
Anyway... Maglaglag.
Ay, ito, Attorney Reggie. Attorney
Reg.
Oy.
Attorney Reg, hello.
Yung inaanak ko, dalawa ka ng...
Russian.
Hello, Attorney Reg.
Attorney Reg.
because of you.
Huh?
Attorney Reg, namit ko siya. Nagpapa-function yan eh.
Talaga?
Yes, saka laging good friend ko rin yan, si Attorney Reg. Thank you, Attorney Reg. Namit ka.
Dahil sa akin.
Dalawang anak.
Dahil sa akin?
Yeah, dahil sa'yo. Hindi ko naman siya namit eh. Hindi ko naman alam sa ko siya namit. Sa'yo. Tama, dito nga sa voice na ito. Thank you.
Tinuro ko kung paano mag-shoot eh.
Mag-shoot ng ano? Okay.
Nakadalawa na siya.
Yes.
Wait, si Darwinator, tinatanong ko may BNO tomorrow. Asa? Wala.
Tomorrow.
But tomorrow is the Magic... Ano ba?
Magic Top 30.
Year-end countdown.
The top 30 songs of the year.
Of the year.
You can catch all of us. We'll all be pre-recording.
We'll all be here.
We'll all pre-recording.
In the booth.
Yeah. So have a happy New Year, everyone. Take care. I hope those that are alone will find company. And if you want to spend it alone, then by all means.
Yes.
But for those that are having a hard time this year, hopefully 2025 brings more blessings and is a better year for all of us.
Let's claim it.
Yeah.
Let's manifest and claim it.
And that we're all healthy.
Yes, that's good.
Healthy and rich and happy.
Yeah, and happy. Yeah.
Sharing your blessing. Thank you for the blessing. Happy Tones.
Share the blessings.
Napakabilis kausap.
Bakit ubos? Bakit ubos?
Mas ganyan lang yan. Umikot lang ng konti.
May bagan. So,
Umikot lang.
Ano na siya, baka na traffic lang ng konti.
January, bago yan.
Wala traffic eh, Master Hans.
Hindi, kay Papi Tones sa traffic. Na-delay. Na-delay lang
Grabe.
konti.
Kailangan mo manalo ng... I played the lotto for all of us.
Yeah.
So sana man.
How many % will go to me?
I don't know what the earnings are yet.
If we win.
Let me see how much I win, and then I'll divide it. Because I bought like different 658, 640.
May lasang manifestation ni Papi Tones. Psychic
But
impact.
wala pa.
Come on!
Okay, we're out of here. Have a great
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
We'll
Happy New Year.
see you
Good
on
night.
Thursday.
Yeah. Thursday?
Yeah. Wala ka ba dito
Is that
Thursday?
the second?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be here. Yeah. Wala pang plano umalis eh.
Kita tayo.
At least kayo may plano.
Kita tayo.
Okay.
Banding tayo.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Happy New Year! Direct. Also on behalf of Gino, Slick, all our playback listeners and viewers, and to you, the guys in our cars still tuned in. My name is Tony.
My name is Tin. You guys have an incredible 2025 ahead. We love you. God bless you. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.